你好，hello，各位聽眾，我聲個就聲準啫，我哋安怎下我哋 system computer 俾佢先一個在派我聲。Anyway，各位聽眾歡迎我做到收聽，本來學嘅節目，即係禮拜咧，我能講嘅話題咧是較要緊特別，你定住我到底咧網頁會看到一物件，我就被大漢人 ignorance 所以我就被起來證明被講嘅這代志。即係禮拜我未講 QQ 嘅代志 ，QQ 是咩 ？QQ 就是LGBTQ 嘅代志 ，gay、lesbian、transgender、bisexual、queer topic 哦嚇，แล้ว我即係禮拜特別嘅邊咧。都是老椒毛毛菇，歡迎。你邊個背？你邊個背？
邊個？
喲，你幾會呢？你實在會攞呢？你當你話咩？你話咩 system？但冇上去你。
啊，我查啦。OK， 好。啊，查住啦。
哈，個水啊，等一下。了個老椒啲我啲都歡迎。
Hello，
แล้วก็เราเจียวปุตตมายำ歡迎
Hello，
แล้วก็新疆บอลูก來定知你來是幾個時候，但係幾個時候會嘅朋友都頭一擺來嘅啦，真是你擺你浪到啲來時，家己聽迪亞基講，伊按照隨條邊嚟學嘅咧，迪亞基歡迎
Hello，
迪亞基迪的飛飛機，咪幫飛機飛機啊，拍飛機。Anyway， แล้วก็Skype 拍邊個有人啊 ？Skype 邊有大粒頭個，啲我唔知。Hello， 嚇大粒頭個大邊個？
我車幫คุณ
嚇幫佢冇車。OK，嚟，這是做咩事會做好啊？未打鼾我被做一個節目嘅，就是未講定住係做咩馬胡丁啊？咩咩？
Mujahid 哈
Mujahid
來講 OK，maybe 我可能講嘢歷史啫，講係咪 set up 嘢即係 situation 性 about 你 Georgetown 係咪嘅？到我哋都嚟 recap 啫。
Okay. So basically, actually 講係 even this story will go back to last year. When Yang Xiaoying actually was for Malaysia at 60th Independence Day. So Yang Xim last year already actually 夾出來啦喂，然後有佢哋咩啊有係多 gallery 可能看啦喂。So anyway this year for Georgetown Festival 呢嘢都再夾出來，但是 when 你係是你 so to hold this time when 你係你two of my friends, Pang and Nisha, Xiaoying Piani is the high, they go to say LGBT activists. Okay, labeled as LGBT activists. So, because of Uelani the opportunity with the new government, so the like 差大咯，講呢隻 new government support LGBT then the masih lah the start luar lalu then after that the聽講the religious minister Masjid Mujahid instruct the Georgetown Festival to the organizer Josie to take down the photo lo. So Josie he took down the photos. So when now masih start January because of the issues, especially among the LGBT community. Well, of course, the local, sad to say, unfortunately, the local Muslim community won't see 起來亂這物件 because they feel that as Muslims they cannot support 這物件啦。And then which in after all the issue, then now it started to become violence against the LGBT community.
我唔知。
Baluka this few days ago 呢，這裡consumer 話Negeri Sembilan orang
transgender
transgender 啦。Well, yesterday,
that's what does it beta hand is講 okay, there's a little bit on religion 嚟講呢，做咩事嘅 religion 嚟講 against LGBT community，但 at the same time 你去你話變咗當佢變咗 physical harm 嚟就。
Then yesterday, Blue Boy was raided 嘛。
Blue Boy 係咪 club 啊
Blue Ball is our Malaysia Daegu game lah.
Okay, KL okay.
佢又講你攞牛妹嘛。
region hotel 牛妹
所以啷知怎麼是這代志咧？是怎麼事這個代志是我未提起來講，就是啷個人知這邊，個人邊咧學嘅條狀，個人知我嘅件事橋，知講我有紅，我未見嘅了。所以安尼款是我看到安尼款嘅時候，一直上我，因為這些一個 topic 下，一個 issue 就我一隻是我家己捌經驗過 issue 下，所以我被提起來講就是嚟款。了我就是講政府我無插入下面政府，那是講你做唔到是唔對。我聽到迄個。Is a religious minister 呀？這個Mujahid，
This is state 個是係咩嘢？
Is it federal？
Federal。
哦 ，is it federal？
特別 OK，number one realistically，我冇 expect 講最新嘅政府啦，我好像 Malaysia 變做 LGBT friendly 嘅，我冇 expect 嘅款。But 如做唔對，我冇插入是特別政府，我本是特別提起來講。So 我講唔對，就是只啦，只 misinformation。特別先至第二個 conversation 嘅 press conference 㗎係咧Mujahid 㗎 Nisha，佢時期我 at least 我係可以淡薄 benefit of the doubt to back to 咧 Mujahid。At least 哟 ，even though 伊講嘅物件，就啲 press conference 講嘅物件嚇，伊係。idea 就 confuse 咋，一個記者 confuse 講，我唔是you know，唔是 part of the LGBT community， 就冇講，喂 ，she's the T girl，you know， 你是一個講，一個幾 confusion 是比較緊 ，but at least you open for conversation to talk about 呢個 issue 咯咋，呢個 violence，but it doesn't seem that's helping， 但是講我 start 把你有人講。有人有 violent cases to， 你講到你到Seremban啊，得咯。
Seremban 嚟。
So 那我 track 啦 ，OK， so what's your thought 讓別人 opinion？
Us or the not from the community 啦。
anyhow anyone， 就 OK，我會from 新加坡嚟。Putu Mayam， 你聽到這 news 或 Putu Mayam？
有啊，我有聽到，我有看到 news 啊。
你 from 嗰邊你看你按照你 reaction 係咪？
我感覺到嗬，伊 bring up 出嚟嗬 ，just to avoid 係 marriage 啊。你伊唔是 latest 有一個 kids 舊年11歲咩？第三個 wife 對，我感覺到嗬，伊為咗愛 escape 之類物件，伊夾個之類 issue 起來
distraction，
對 distraction。
後面我唔知另外一個 issue 上面咧，使講我聽。
At the same time 係，at the same time 11歲 ，OK， 伊 second wife， 伊 second 樣，
住 second wife，
有一個Kelantan 那邊 ，OK， 伊先嚟看，伊 second wife 都唔知。Facebook 還是 Twitter 翕伊個 wife 嘅小英就講 OK I think 到 Facebook 翕咧，伊就只無咁樣寫一個 statement 講這就是伊第三波11歲呢，所以這個物件變 viral。OK 咧，伊按吼夾這囡仔吼11歲囡仔吼到大陸那邊教因咗滯，because 到 Malaysia 吼，如時間愛帶囡仔，
你大波二波係 blessing 嘅嘛？
No, because the girl is still underage. It's
minimum 16.
對，你特別到 Malaysia 後，你愛帶第三波 underage 後，你特別 go to 唔知樣 Muslim 嘅係咪 associate 啊 agreeable， 你個會使帶，所以 skip 這你就一走去泰國那邊教因。所以這個嘛 bring up 真係大代誌咯，真係人哋講about這物件，你問
你是可能等你係咪大陸人啊？還是平時 normal citizen 啊
？normal citizen 呀 ，normal citizen 嚟呀。
要帶隊 ，Ustaz， masjid ketua 嚟。
哎呀 ，whatever Ustaz 我感覺到伊個帶隊是真呀 small 幾呀，所以 because of 這 issue 可差較真呀大。even 係咧最即個安怎就我們夾起來講 ，bring up 到 parliament 嘛，你樣無行 cover because 樣無一個。無 冇一個 proper answer. So they use this LGBT 嘅物件來 cover. So 一查一個嘛，人就袂記這數了嘛。
我唔知咧。
我咁樣嘅即我看嘅時候就會樣，我看嘅時隻 story 我就感覺真奇怪，伊 answer 袂到，咧 suddenly all the sudden 伊嘅隻 LGBT 物件插大。所以根本是嘅 create a distraction， 伊 distraction 呀，你知哦。伊無 answer， 所以一個 LGBT 來講，伊講伊個講呢，伊講一句話，伊講見啊Muslim 嘅攞嚟邊又會使錯幾個波11 years as long as 來 menses 就是 approve 會使錯咧 something like that。伊講one of 係主主啦，the guy who 講 about 隻 LGBT 咯。
我哋啊，伊係 religious minister 啊。
對咧 ，after that 伊講嗬 ，the thing that we have to worry about now is LGBT。我心內邊想 fuck you 啦，即係唔嘅 already 真久咧，按照你去嘅 LGBT 來攞到人嘅是
我做貼龜啊，就是貼
線。唔能做貼龜。
你知唔知？if 伊係講 LGBT 嗬，定到嘅時啊 ，before 即唔嘅 Malaysia 是 LGBT 對這少少樣還那人做這咯，就要。
對。
這唔是，我會 clarify， 這裡唔是 ethnic 嘅 issue， 這裡唔是 religion 嘅 issue。I mean religion 有樣嘅 issue，特別這裡是，
我明白你講係咪
power issue 啊，這是。
because 你看 ，if 伊愛嘅 LGBT 來講啦，對。你愛嘅你 Muslim 你 whatever 嚟講啊，你是唔是叻嘅咧？你還啊？
Because
你還啊 LGBT 做這，你知唔知？
就是還啊，even though 你看 ，OK， 是美國唔好，你問講美國唔是真好，美國唔成日看成唔是真這 religious right 嚇，佢哋唔是用這個 subject 嚟做嚟嚟 power issue 嚟嚇，嘅嚟樣做，所以變做 control 人。哦，你那是會是 Christian 咧，你特別是 against 你 LGBT 嘅。
Actually 我感覺到係 LGBT 又好，冇 LGBT 又好，我本是人嚟嘅嘛 ，so what's the problem？
是啊，我
感覺到 I don't understand 咯，對，what's the problem？
我覺得當今是唔知是差別婚還是差幾條接來，是哦。差別婚歡迎 ，Hello，你就講講明話題哦，你接來。OK， 來，你 reaction 你再往咁樣講你Mujahid講嘅物件。
唔知講係咩
？OK，按照講啊，定時是講個Georgetown Festival 是要攞條小英嚇。
小英嘅嘛。
哈。So OK，等我咪每兩看你想話咩物件？我特別我咪每個人當今。你人感覺 ，especially 那是你個 identify as LGBT， 你rasa 到當今，這個是唔是 issue？ 我聽有人我邊人講啊，這唔是 big issue 係咩物件？我未聽過講嘅，我自己聽我看就真未過百啦。伊未過百唔是講伊 information 就 confuse 就樣成個。參就一物件，佢唔知樣佢講咩啊？嗬，咧一個用嚟 publicly 講 as a reason，一變咗 confuse 人個了橋就。
一個就係嘅是 Marina 嘛，係第一個是出嚟 support LGBT。
嚇，要出嚟講喎，依就 all the while 嚇。伊我就話真正，
伊唔是講咩？伊發嚟內嘅人嘅 poster 寄落嚟係，伊嘅 poster 小英本寄落嚟。
OK， 我都是會會啦嚇。我哋伊
我就話真係人係小英寄落嚟嘛，因啲人真係人叫人小英寄落嚟。
We are support 啦 ，for support 樣嘅 solidarity 啦。
support，
yeah，
真係人嘅小英寄咧人叫寄落嚟。
So
actually 我感覺到即係像你講嘅咯，人家嚟做 politics 嚟 control 嘅，即係唔嘅是正。actually 我感覺即係唔嘅是正簡單嘅。What's the problem？ 我感覺 frankly speaking, LGBT has been along for how many years?
Forever since the humanity.
定到 already 有了就要，唔係講往中國係你太監嘅事，係你點成不有了。
Qing Dynasty.
Because 你咪講係 humanity 有人嘅時度有啊嘛，即係唔是講是。
有古了誒，是講 this thing has been there for。
特別嗰種即係 ignorance 即係唔知嘅事啊，所以你即係人佢哋亂講嘅，你 consent 又唔對 information，一變做你唔知人 去聽咋，所以你 better 唔通去聽，你去聽即你捌嘅人啊，成個話啊，你聽，你
冇啦，我係人係我 even 都你看，我睇到是 free thinker 啦，定到我是 Christian，OK，我 even 都真濟人 religious 嘅人甲我講嗬，我被100% 相信㗎了，我自己去想，我是咁款嘅人嚟，I'm this kind of person，
你唔 blindly believe 啦，
我被 blindly，even 你 Bible 點好我甲我講佢哋唔記嚇 ，sometimes I still have doubt，because Bible 嗬，唔是講
Bible 咪是人寫
，It's written by human。
You are right，because 你看定到嘅人有可能樣講啦，有可能樣講 A， 有可能是 aeroplane，特別。interpret 嘅人講，有可能講 A for apple 咧，你話咪是笑，你話相信咪 A apple 咯？
我特別看，我講，我冇 OK，so number one，我冇 expect 特人特別 accept，but 你特別你我冇插你 accept 即是你個基本的，你特別 respect 我 because 我是 human， 我是一 individual。So
對 agree 啦，
你 might agree to why a thought 係你咪是變咯，你我冇插你係想係咪你數？你
是啦，係自人講嘅咯。Who is that guy 啊？只 Q 嘅，伊咪 complain about 我人嘅 stewardess 嘅衫。伊講看咧未係咪咧？伊講哦 ，if 你看未，咁咪就咪看到
陸兆福 Ministry of Transport
啊，伊咪講是講你感覺未爽，你咪看啦。所以就 same thing 咯。if 你感覺到 LGBT， 你看咧未過見，就是未愛聽，咪聽咪看 ，walk away。對，因為無講調啲開你把就叫你看我啦，我是 LGBT 對，你感覺未啱，你咪行走咯。What's the problem？
當今啊，what's the climate 嚇？sometimes 我冇講起嚇 topic，咱都是點個了咯。I mean 我就係講，咱到底咱嘅 society 坎坷啦，坎坷愛出來成個 US society 啦。In fact 啊，我把盧卡做一個Penang叫咩啊？Penang magazine 啊，我聽到 interview 啊，伊幫把盧卡 interview about 一個LGBT 嘅 issue 呢，講安怎到底馬來西亞是安怎，我大漢細漢時，我就會 go through 物件，加當今安怎要問我啦，到底 US。
我唔知啦，我 understanding 嗬 LGBT 嗬，LGBT 嘅人啦 become a threat 是 because 嗬，即係 religion bring up 嘅，我感覺到。if religious 冇夾出嚟講我。寫 normal 很啊，我感覺是無數嘅，寫往 normal 嘅人很貴呢。
Don't agree 啊，把你 panelist。
啊，對啊
，agree。是 religious 寫，係你 religion 啊，夾嚟講啊，可能唔夾呢。Then that's why start out 真濟人感覺到我看袂起 LGBT 啊，攏個人怪啊，是蝦米 funny thing。But if you look imagine 啊 ，if all this stupid religious 嘅唔夾，冇 bring up 這唔夾啦，冇幫行嘅都真係。是冇唔見咗，
是啦，但兜嘢出嚟講嘅嘅咧，religion 是人嚟嘛？
跳一個 Islam，一個 Christian，
唔是，阿咪唔是教你啦，老實講 ，because 我 because 我 grow up 是 Catholic 嘅，那 Catholic church 不是 majority，啊人是 against 我知。But still 有成個我呢幾年我係 priest 嗰兩就 open 嘅，都每話人講，你話有蝦米 subject 有時常 church 做冇教好多人嘅，所以你話成講你 feel abandoned 啊上面個每，所以有伊唔是特你，成個我咪只係 Muslim 誒，whether or not 伊人家己是 LGBT， or 伊唔是 ally 嚇。Muslim 唔係真正 open， 我有一個定義是我唔來我做工嗰邊，我就人嘅行啊邊，唔是不買用，哦，就不得，創開先。然後 anyway， 我能請我做工嘅，請一個panelist 嚟講 about 會教嘅咩？然後伊是所以讓 panelist 嚟嗰陣時會教雜波啦，然後爆頭嗰陣嚟講講，因為 sometimes 都在到啲美國當劍橋，人講到會教誒只驚，都就係人嗰陣成 Islamophobia 嘛。然後咱無成人成日大漢到啲咩，所以咱唔是講成唔捌學佢咧美國啦，就有時學喺爆頭嘅時候，咱嚟台灣嚇。然後我咪是請往有你成只 prominent 嘅人成日做 charity， 啊，不是 professor， 是 doctor 咩啊？好，yang 嗰時 Muslim 嘅就我嚟講咯，yang 嗰時講Muslim women the power of Muslim 嘅 women 就係人是 misconception， 就是講嗰時就我都是無關啦，係咪啊？有啦，就是講喺私人面咧坐在一會人，可能做派咩先咯。你呢度就我就講 伊講我人甲 LGBTQ 誒queer LGBTQ 誒 community 做一個做我人嘅 spread 我人嘅 message，因為我人 feel 到我人是做一個marginalize 嘅，所以伊人 Muslim 嘅查某嘅嗰啲參做你 LGBTQ 啦 march for 伊人 because 人 feel 到人哋 marginalize，because 是 LGBT 你就人看你無想捌看你，還是你是會教查某切有爆頭，所以看到人無想捌看你，所以伊人隔了做一下，伊是想着伊需要做一做，所以唔是隔了有會教人唔是有反對還是隔了 Christian 人唔是有反對 LGBTQ
啦。but Muslim 我感覺到樣真啊過分本啊，係咧 LGBT 樣無可樣去接去伊 mosque 裡面 pray 咯。完全無可樣接去。
I'm not surprised 啦 ，I'm not surprised.
Yeah, but I
mean,
don't.
Especially the trans.
I don't think it's the right way 啦，因為 mosque church 是一個像是 temple 學你去做 prayer 嘛。You got no rights, you know. It's between you and God. 你是 trans 又好 LGBT 又好 ，is between you and God。按照你咪可以接嚟 ，Who are you to say that person cannot go in？對。所以我感覺啊，可能人吼，actually 是有問題，伊樣頭腦有有問題。
But the problem 是講你 see you as 你有問題，同時講伊都冇講我有問題。嗱，一個人 support 伊，就講
last time 啦，我相信有個人 long time ago 唔是這 generation 啦，頂到個人冇 support LGBT is because 攞嚟上 gender 嘛，所以樣未想講 go to another generation 啦 ，next generation。樣驚講，樣講我嘅 human population 冇 ，but now 我人嘅 medication 唔是 overpopulated。What I mean is that 我人睇下 already 按照講啊，當 science 嘅 medication 這邊學 already 真係 advance 嘛。So as long as 你有 respond，你會使去下邊去有家己囡仔 ，what's the problem？
On top of that，同時講㗎啦，99% of population 是嘅 LGBT。
啊，對啊。
就是我安尼少冇講冇安尼濟嘛，有人就是驚講你條。哎呦，你看到你隔壁啊，唔是呢個另外一個問題，你隔壁啊是嘅啊，你咪可以跪掉啊，跪掉你咪嘅去啊。
你笑啊，這唔是白來咧，嘅唔是白來。樣 actually 冇明白好嘅啊，好 lesbian 啊，好 actually got to do something with 我哋嘅 human hormones 嘅嘛。有個人嗬成日聽到我捌到一個guy，伊嗬是。Okay, it's straight 咧，it's straight 咧。But because 伊個 hormone 已經吼，你看伊看成娘娘腔啊，嗰個寫查甫，but it's straight 咧，伊有 girlfriend 咧。所以唔把伊個人看到伊嗰個 pattern 吼，你感覺伊是 gay。
係呢個另外一個問題啊，同我 sometimes 我成 discuss，係人嘅社會嚇，有一次，但係人唔講個定責佢隨時人講到，咱嘅社會咧是看查某是較假，所以查甫是較懸。你若是講查甫像查某嚟講死啊！你變做成個你就 demote 人嚇。
But John 你感覺真係奇怪哦，gay 嚇，guys 啦，間攞嚟 lesbian 啊，人 A accept lesbian B accept guy， gay sorry，我什麼咪是想。
So I think it's basically come to the same thing 啦。你看
不是 same sex。
straight on 啦嚇，always 特登有一個線的，就是來查某，來被佢 make out 嘅嘛，對。但係咪是so widely accepted？但係你看到哇，來查某 making out 呢？
我你是 on the point of on 你 straight 嘅查某嘅 point of view 先。
Yeah.
Because it threatened ilang kaki insecurity about
sorry actually 如果是講 threaten 嘅。應該是係你 lesbian 嘅I find that 正幾位 friend 講啊 lesbian that means 係你 tomboy 啦，應該是 straight 嘅打波嘅，個 threaten 樣個字咧。Because 你感覺嘅個字啊，搶佢咧個 friend 係唔是咧
？Agree。
個條 rape 咧？
即嚇 OK 你家見到咩波咩？
冇談波，即是講本是 agree 啦，就不做咪用講你看咯，不做咪用講，就伊人 feel feel threatened 啦，有打磅啊啦，呀，我不 feel 過啦，有幾人叫本事啊？你看你 normal 咁嚟啫。
那
有講啊。
So OK， so 咱到底like society 就人安怎個寫到創開先是講創開啊
？Definitely 唔是話。
冇咧，唔是話咧。
我每人當然到底人 OK 啦 ，LGBT 都是 identify as LGBT 人。如講如到底如 society 如 live 你 everyday life 是安怎你當然到底 Malaysia。
Don't really care about what other people think. I just live as myself.
You feel threatened by 別人咯
No, not really.
But
我唔是講 because I again was it as a cisgender male 啦嚇。
你 explain the cisgender male 係咩意思
？Okay, because although I'm openly gay, but what's it on Outlook 是看是突破嘛，對哦。So but on the 之類人被 pinpoint lu as compared to 講係trans 嘅person咯。
所以你講外邊看起來，你講坎坷可能去attack 你啊嚇。
對。So that's why because of all this 之類 current 嘅issue about LGBT, so 但就講 the trans community actually dealt very badly because
因為逃避啊。
因被逃避咯，那是Nisha 伊家己冇講嘛，講 since the pictures came out, people to send her death threats hate mail now as accumulating with 講係 the Grace Bilan 係 the trans women 可能拍so I can see that things were for the trans community might actually get quite bad咯。The LGBT community itself depends on how far out that you're willing to step off, I suppose.
你講我唔知安怎 expect 講人嘅 society eventually Malaysia 嚟 ultimately be I mean 我有啲看到有 improvement 啦，成日講有。即係即係Mahathir Jawa 名係咩啊
？Marina Mahathir。
Marina is alive for a long time 咧，一股已經到
support 咧，
呢度 support like LGBT rights 啊。but 如果有rasa社會較好呢，我就係你 OK 啦。你 haters will always be you forever 應該有 haters 人見到係你特別辛苦咧，所以唔係你人拍一邊。佢點解嚟講？如果就講有當今少年一批嘅人，有有較進步呢？如果講少年人較無呢驚。
我感覺佢啊 new generation accept because they are exposed already, they know what is going on。
依家無呢怪，你就成日都照見到最怪咯，係嘛？你唔捌
看過定到嘛？定到無人知，因緊啊，
無人講起咯，定到。
有人講，伊講人講啊嘅，你做嚟做正啦。But 親愛少年人好像往眼嚟看 ，we are exposed to the media everyday，往係實 online search 嘅哦。So
你有 knowledge 啦，
有 knowledge，so majority 半會 accept 嘅無半行嘅。
But I have to say, sad to say 啦，就是 still a big portion of even the Malays still remain to choose to go. This is one a religion asks us to to convert them or to that we cannot accept them because of one a religion. This is a very sad case. Young is
go back to the same thing.
Choosing ignorance. Is it that you are choosing ignorance just because you argument does it always come back to religion? What religion? What another
Because it's the easy way out lor, and sometimes literally 你學教你一項物件嚇，對唔對？另外講啦嚇，你教你一項物件，你學對嘅物件，你經驗 life experiences，你 knowledge 不對人，佢教你另外一項物件，攞你 idea 被啱嘅事嚇。你係你就是你 clash of 你內 idea，你應對物件咧，就是 fall back on 即你 safe 嘅就是你 OK，我 religion 教我講，所以我別，所以你咪去 confront 呢個 conflict 嗰隻， 你看佢講啦，我特別 explain 即係物件啦，我冇未曉講福建話。我未曉，我未曉。
I think 我明白你講
你攞你 idea 未 gel 嘅時候，你 either 你 fall back on 你嘅 comfort zone，就是對佢 religion， so 你免 explain， 你免
免去
嚇，免去想個，喂，然後安怎？
so 我去免講。
嚇，你
免去 argue 講嗰兩一個對，嗰兩一個 wrong 對，還是
你經一條路啊，佢對下就把酒冚一邊，一起一條路。
But that is something that you are forcing yourself 嘛，to it。
是哦，I think in time 啦 ，hopefully in time 啦。
tapi 問題是吼，嗱，你樣正濟即個教嘅吼，樣根本就是吼，真正骨力啲細腦你就，即唔是講 educate 你就，樣是細腦你就。
because 對，樣有樣嘅，真係你別怪，伊定到誒頭腦啊，即係無插係咪教本好學教，還是會教本好，伊個。即係安尼一年來樣解你辦法，所以你較konkr嘅吧。我 feel 到係你是人背去嘅係你樣嘅 religious 嘅 leader 嘅 thought 咧是較konkr我是按照做我會自己做本分就是
穿佢即買掉，
只穿佢
穿咯，係啦，
是 I think 是不懂嘛用。不得買用 take over 啊！你買我你最別看我行你買，
是咩？
唔知啊，我唔
知啊。
茶米粉啊！
等陣茶米粉啊，頂面生煎嘅啲家機就好食喎。我講茶米粉啲家機，
啲家機煎嘅。
我上面就講 QQ 嘅大字本，佢講就知啊，係 QQ 大字本你講就知啊，那他媽我看到，就是來啊，不都買用，這是買用。這點，冇呀。這點那個這是啊，不都拿來了，不都買用來下鳥是不都買用啊。
冇啦，鳥
不是啦。
哦，哈，個都白。
啊，講係咪？
我看到你鳥，我冇看到你小，看到你鳥，沒看到是唔是個都白？不，我講到不都買用，因為美國啦，講就知係物件，咁啦，佢哋冇講你 QQ 嘅但係而家人是知係名，不都買用啦，個都白啦，嚇。
咁嚟講咧，你幾 topic 嘛嚇？
嚇，佢看到啦嚟啊！
冇，啊，當面發生，我係冇跟你位啊嗬。嚇，空啊，嗡，當面我看我係咧冇嘢，嚇，我咧冇嘢。啲就冇有，係咪我唔知。
睇那奇怪嘛，樣嘛是幾不愛聽。
真啊，咯，咪都奇怪，我都是唔敢聽。
哦，怎麼放咧？你鬼啊咩鬼天啊？天語。
你我你本平時困到我係沙發會冇走去動房會頭尾嘢嘛。
哎呦。Anyway, okay.
I thought 貓唔是袂驚樣嘅咩？所以走去逃避。
貓會本
就係咯。
因為我是看。
OK，落講，我係嘅。
嚇 ，OK。So 你我知啦，係你我唔 OK，我知同教嘅attack 到啲 LGBTQ 嘅人嘅teaching 我知，會教我冇咩知喎，會教係阿咪。
OK。我係講我
係使
，OK，你係我因為 because 我 study，人咪講舊性啦，人成 study 樣嘅 lifestyle 性啦
，lifestyle OK，
人講 ethnic 都對啦
嚇，講咩都對
，ethnic
OK，
啊，啲bangsa啦嚇
，OK，即唔是舊啦，即是人嘅，
人咪講舊性啦，講bangsa性啦嚇，因為 OK，人咪講 bangsa，你都明白㗎啦嚇。迄個bangsa 吼真係奇怪，也是咧是本人咧人會接受。
所以你講嘅是 transgender 人係唔接受。
人古早啦，OK，我咪講馬路，人是講古早、七十、60、50、60、70、80 ，even 90年代都接受。
乜嘢？
我講trans 啦嚇，人會接受。even 舊英啦、kenduri 啦，一係接受啫。OK，but 大波是叫幾啲人未接受。
because 伊人嘅 tradition 看起來那是你上個怎麼，你咪是上個 quote normal 咯。
because why？ if 如果一 trans they have a ticket， 一 ticket 就是講 it could be he or she could be Kunsa， 你知Kunsa係咩哦
？Hermaphrodite.
Oh, hermaphrodite. Oh. Okay, born with both two genders. It's just easy. Isi ko si tapo.
我成個字咩咧？可能個燈啦。
Kunsa 要兩行啦，所以 when 樣就是樣 Kunsa 是伊 either 特別經一行，佢直接掛掉咧變查某啦。所以古早時咧 like you say easy way out 就是講 okay because 伊是 Kunsa， 所以伊咧係變做查某，但係是 not 100% 查某 because 伊未成驚嘛，伊無一個咪嘛，所以安尼講咯。But over the time, because nowadays some more social network have rapidly have dive into or blend into our life Pengka lang jadi isu kia kong. Balang balu sanga yang kami sanga si kupas iye di bawang. Hami si gay, hami si maknia, hami. Pengka kucala galang cukong nama dia. Balu di bang dia on the screen with tatalangki. Kupas ide tadang ki kong de mi kia. Now, wa kong nama kong si bangsa ma. Lang ba kong si religion. Religion deal any religion also. I think mostly Christian, Islam. Lang kong tu kong tapo bisa kata tapo ane kwan correct?
Yep.
Kan ya, kami sudah. Okay. Because right now on Facebook, when look pang the topic lo kia tatalang to the comment like you said got hater, got supporter, you have your opinion, I have an opinion. So small issue chalu pengka lang balu ka pengka jina kongka jina deep down here pengka ni kwan. Now talk about the religions when we study Quran whatever when you study the verse, you study the whole sentence or not? Or you only pick the first sentence and then you ignore the last sentence. You only pick what you want to do. You believe. This is I believe it is wrong lah. We
context full context. Sanga what Christianity 們是講你 Bible 係你嚇，依部。
哎呦，真係怪。
係咩嘅？怪。
安尼靚真係。
喲，佢再嚟啊！
唔知我咪講，OK，好。
我即 Christianity 乜事喎？你看你伊講嘅物件係，讓我 interpret 係，你愛 interpret 安怎？你看伊 bigger context 嚟講係，sometimes 伊唔是，你無特別講是 targeted LGBTQ 啦。So 人只係係，你有一 one verse of 一個 check 呢這邊啊，呢這 verses 係嚟。Ignore the love and respect and care for humanity because of the few words that potentially 有可能是講 about LGBTQ 啦。所以依人會用掉就是對針對咧，就是叫做為咗一項物件好，依人會夾緊物件嚟無效率，被經隨理由嚟講係無效率。咁咪數？
呢就是你 chapter 教師你物件。
我問你做咩事？所以差唔多上咯，㗎，叫你 Bible 係你差唔多上啊。It's like a man.
有啊。More even 嗱，你講解 teaching of the Bible, why don't if you interpret about homosexuality so literally 啦，所以我用嚟講喎。OK，但
係咪使食尖咯？咪使食 selfish 咯？
對啊，咪使食 selfish。
係會咪冇成理咯？
咁你咪使情人 clothes of different fabric 嘛，對哦。你咪使穿 fabric 嘛。譬如嗰個講咩若是講一個查某if 嘅可能咧是唔是 virgin, she has to be put to death 嘛，還是 we don't interpret that literally. But why 一個 homosexuality
because 人好 target 嘛，人好 target 嘛，人嘅 community 細嘛，然後咧佢哋 society 直接 oppress 人，所以人唔嫁出嚟講，所以做咩事話，做咩事被 vocal， 我唔是講掉地講，我 kick the law 係講 hello I'm LGBTQ girl， 我冇得。
It's the same thing. Yeah, same thing for me because it's like I'm so sick of the oppression that they're also sick of having to pretend, having to make Cassie we are somebody else. You know, so why don't we normalize it and say, show people that hey, we are just like everybody else.
But yeah. I mean, but every 我 understand because 我捌行過這條路，我就講唔是特特人 is ready to come out。我明白 because 我自己捌行這條路，我未 ready until 我係 ready， 我係 time 係 ready。But those who can 成個我呢有佢哋 opportunity 嚇 to be out 嘅，我咪個仔成個，但是講我 frankly 我 out 冇 out， 我就嚟冇 out 啦嚇，特別我 out 冇 out 嚇。冇咩清差咋，所以我咧平時成我冇咩清差，所以我就當今我安尼 open， 就是俾可能看到講OK， 你把打到嗰條 LGBT 時，做咩事嚟驚？做咩事 community 嚟實就驚講，哎呦
300咯樣，
你就是唔捌看，你唔捌看過一個人，你唔知講講喺度，當今你看到講到嘅，我講就老實講啦。你咧學嘅你 community 嚇，定當我先把你出嚟做 show 時，即係這人 attack 我 because of 我，哎呦你個潮事啊，要成個查波呢，阿波啊咩叫啊？我講查波係咩看過呀嚇？我都唔使逃避，一邊就我冇可能爆我去咋，所以係咯，我咪查波係咪查波係，你唔會嚟幹我咩嚇？我你看，所以是你變咗嚇人驚起講哦，依人用依，做乜事我講特別用辣啊？就是爆啊！伊人是容易爆。我講，我是 straight 啊！我當然講可能聽出來，你是 gay 嚟講下，我係學你 status look 去，變咗伊人有爆啊咋？當然我係爆啊時，就對人講，咪講咯，冇人插你。變咗伊 lose 伊爆啊下，伊都唔敢嚟。
一個冇咁玩咯。
我就借你
一個 lose 爆啊，等陣一個冇咁玩咯，個講怪怪咯。
定到時冇咁玩咧 ，attack 我嚟我 website attack 我係show 嘛，講下面物件 support 呀，唔知唔是講我係 gay 嘅事啊，還是我唔知有關係冇關係，一時 attack 我係 show，唔知係講咩物件，我未記啦。講嘅事，原來是因為冇人 support 嘢，你知邊啲學嘅你listener 真正 supportive to 我咧，樣就 protective 啊。我樣嘅講到看到呢事啊，哇！咁做咩變啊電啊？你知呢個阿多啊面出來，講你免驚，講出來我講你變過。แล้วก็แล้วแต่อีตัวตัวไหนสิก็เสียไปเลยคอมเมนต์เนี่ยว่า username เนี่ยติงต้าสิคอมเมนต์สิตัวที่ว่า website โฮสต์จะมา冇寫當今日喺 Facebook 面แล้วว่าที่ check IP address 是清楚隻 number 啦後尾隻 number 啦所以那面是我 suspect 是上隻 source 咋所以佢自己伊個 comment 寫出嚟แล้ว佢去把你為把你 computer 話冇上嘅名แล้วก็嚟support 伊 because 冇人 support 伊數嘛所以咱唔係可以咧有包啊，咱未使可以咧有包啊，咧有時伊嘅包啊，就是做咩事就包啊 come out 對我嚟講 ，even though 我 understand， 我明白講唔是人 ，especially 大啲馬來西亞，如果一人尤其是亞洲人，咱咪搞到唔是咱家己呢。即係人要搞到是搞到伊個厝內面水 ，because 你 come out 時，你會影響到你厝內人嘅名聲，伊人你家己 individual 嘅 decision 會 affect 到別個人，個了解這人嘅livelihood 或伊人嘅生活啦。So 我明白講做咩事人被喊 out，but those who can 成個我嚟講，我咪。講成個唔係講嘅講係咪啊？喂，波啊！所以我冇插，所以我講出來咧，人家會再講白刀，人就講嘅是人家看到這裏邊。即係這人教我講，有時我頭一嚟 identify openly 嘅，人再講是絕對是看到外邊咯。所以問伊人有安尼看會看到外邊，人個在我生活，你知我怪 open 定嘛？我規嚟 live 嗰咧就 open book 係嘛？所以變咗伊人會想講，誒。呢個冇講只怪啊！你都唔是，係咪怪？但不怪，邊啲學嘅人怪啦，特別唔是成日講我都冇成格。
咁樣除咗你嘅 channel 時，我冇咁嘅，你是種人，我是咁樣成個小小定嘛。
我是小小。
冇正常。冇正常。
這點了，這點了。
正常特別小小你。
這點。
咩物件？
來。
Sorry, halfway there.
Halfway there what? Where look it up?
我把兩隻天嚟呢。
你halfway 住啊？
我寫
係啊！
我度係啊！係咩嘢？係
你寫字大波，看到係就你係。
你係咩？
冇啦 ，OK， 你有 opinion about 這個 whole Georgetown festival 嘅 fiasco？
Ganasai.
Okay, personally, I feel the personally attack only because yang.
Wala.
Okay, what 冇並逼啊？你 feel 的安裝講啦，我根本冇咯。
你知無係Terengganu嘅 news 哦
？Terengganu news 哦，但係你
講係見啦。
係咧，邊內條數嘅？條啲啊，
我未講呢啲。
係咯，
我唔係話講下。
來這個歌，
因為就是在車位做，甚至一條啲啊。
哦。
Yang nori hoi saya suka naik nori. Kan stupid ni.
Oh, bunte si itu aku kong is kesalahannya mah. Dia di Suria lah binui. Ha.
Still stupid, right?
Actually, hale Juana.
你就講乜嚟啊？就講。
嚇，我到這邊。
歡迎。
Hale Juana, they cannot make that into an issue because even if lu si LGBT, lu si straight pun, lu tuati chia cho lu mata pun lihat lu So why make that into an issue?
Different from lu palai, sangat lu straight couple.
Yeah, because that is not because of an LGBT issue. It is because it is not acceptable in the society in Malaysia and the law does not permit. Look at tapo cabo na si lihat tu ibu si ane jiao tua lu ki got
Kacau kau dia.
But public caning ni,
public caning has to do with religion, nothing to do with
public caning mesti kata saya dia ada Indonesia no le tapo.
Actually, hale picture mesti hilang hale
Indonesia
hilang publicize the media is also butio. You see, so mikia lu besai kia hale mikia twist until it becomes something else. Media is very wrong. Now,
People call it media responsible and media board.
It is irresponsible reporting because you turn society against each other.
Russia, you're Russia.
Russia 咩啊？
傻靚 fake news。
哦。
傻靚地搞呢？地搞差。
Tapi lu saya LGBT 是錯呀，但你normal straight people 如果投資唔係錯咩？
錯咩？
想嘅咩？
錯咩？因為是做小嘅。
你邊咧係做工，你咪有時候應該冇明白講嚟聽下啫。
因 Joshua Festival 係你啊，有見到係你 LGBT 嘅時候嘛。
Okay, so ia masih you know, Xiao Ying hip jagu lah. Last year is for both. Yeah, last year is 2 years ago.
Yeah, last year.
Nisha 又是 Nisha 咩？Nisha 是 trans 嘛，然後一樣是也包 flag 啦，然後是一樣是 feature 冇相嘅 Malaysian 是唔是？也
對，
然後 including 係咧打波咩咩胖
Punky Day
แล้ว
Punky Day 意思ว่า即係advertisement 入面，OK 意思壓死人嘅嘛唔是咩？
Yes, that's correct.
แล้วอีสีเอามาบรอนแล้วอีสีเอาเลยแล้วมาโอเค so ลองไปอันจวน define as activist ยังก็ว่าที่聽下你冇就係講อีสี唔是อีสี我冇明白是講做咩是講你想冇 identify as LGBT 我冇明白講咩
No, she is a transgender activist, not a gay activist.
佢冇寫
trying to split hairs over because I think Mujahid he's also in a difficult place more because he talking with the new government. He's trying to please both sides soon.
政府嘅 religion.
I mean, you want to please you don't want to make Pakatan seem like a more
progressive government.
Yet at the same time, it might offend too much of the
religion.
Malay, population also. He's also in a difficult position. I think I understand his position also.
Tapi what appreciate it allow each like 講 directly address 這類 transgender issue. Because it 講 about yang itu yang attack and then the employment sometimes force 接去sex trade because 冇人愛請人 做工所以袂。
That's correct.
So 迄是 non issue 特別 frankly 我唔知做即stick 到人嘅頭腦啦。但係我唔知啊。But okay, so 路人 in general feel 到講到底 Malaysia society 若是講你是 gay， I mean 係你 identify as male， แล้วเด็กกับ另外一個答波 male to male， 還是 female กับ就 female กับ female， 你會 feel 到伊人會到 discriminate 較濟過 transgender 咩 ？I don't think so. Am I transgender?
No. I think really the
transgender they marginalize 你濟because 人成個你講到時話 cis male 嚇，所以我出事是答波，所以我 identify 我 identity 本是答波，所以我免講佢，但是講咪出聲啊。咪是人看嘅咯，但是要出聲，我可能該好，你 glue 到冇。但你我係80啫，我係80個，咁我別人冇看到，我係別人實講到我是 issue 嚟咋。但是講你是 transgender，especially 如果冇咩 pass as male or female，你看到成日都再講是 transgender 呀，你係掉無理人，比較人驚嘛，人看到唔捌看過嘅，成隻怪嘅，所以頭前要做，人驚 everything that will react violently，嚇，就是 because of the fear 呀。
Self-defense.
You fear 嚇，誒做 that's why 你特別有較濟 faces，做咩是會人有 activist？ 有講到 activist 啊 ，because of the activism 這個字 ，activist 就是你會 against 隔了 society 出來講 about 你個嘅 rights，so that 你會別個人冇 opportunity 唔敢，還是冇 opportunity to 出來講 about 樣個嘅 issue 人，你會 activist 係人講嘅。
Yeah, exactly.
So 當今我人出來。做咩事我要做這個 subject 就是，我自己一人韓國講啦，但是你別聽你，或者是聽 online。但係我一定嘅人係我我就會講這 issue 時，所以咧做這 collectively 講 about。但我要聽個人嘅 opinion from 哪個 group
discrimination 啊？
你 feel 到 discriminated when 你人 suspect 你是 LGBTQ 嘅 individual。
我講出來唔就係我講出來唔係我頭家係錫我啦，因為我古早時候。
咪講啦，你係錫嘅。
我叫我because anyway， 你巴士啦，古早我係 factory 咧有幾嗱 can 是，唔是 trans 啦，伊是 les and also gay 嘅。
嚇？喂嚇！我幾嗱係 lesbian 㗎 gay。
對，我咪講是，OK，then 我 employer 咧是 maybe 伊較 old fashion 咧，伊啲。
冇 comfortable
伊是講按照伊人你看，我講你，你愛看人咧是看伊會做工未做工，唔是看伊嘅 sexual preference。你無唔是該困，So I think by in time 伊應該是較 OK 啦，古早咧應該是有嘅人咧
不怎麼樣會烘。
加多聲。
嘅，我叫我狗困個一邊，伊 breathing。
哦，你狗會烘，你狗會聲嚟啊？
幫配
啊，唔是幫配，伊困，一係 sometimes 伊 snore，你知伊。我陪佢一邊困，我陪佢。
Okay, back to the story. So
sometimes it takes other people to educate 啦。你就是講會教。講通係難聽，因為這人無明白未曉嘅時候，就是 sometimes 係講唔對物件。
Now we become business partners. So 我講嘛，maybe it's too old fashion。有嘅物件，伊無看到濟啫，伊無加。
我 expose。
對，所以我咪講，人是看一人伊嘅 ability，伊 personal life 伊甲裝出去伊咪好唔是人，你無需要知。Even Malaysia even Malaysia 有 industry court 啦 labor law 有講到亂袂使 get involved 別人嘅物件嘅。
personal life 袂使 involve 掉咯。
因為我自己唔聽得煩嘛，你就係人你看呢，人我講you need to stop 啦 ，you know。你袂使講人你看呢，伊做工嘛，伊做出來物件水嘛，拉個 result 係嘛。So on and on start recruiting 啦，較無相了。較 OK 了，所以無看 color， 無看伊嘅 sexual preference，無看咩人。
Sometimes 你 perception of 伊嘅 sexual orientation，不能 not necessarily 是，正是成日當我哋講有就是講啊，不同埋人係講，有嘅人看起來係成日較怎麼款係特別，伊是straight 啦嚇。or sometimes buy with a straight partner 係咪是？你咪係看起來個開始乜都咪是唔知，所以你講先看起來即係人都是。頭一條無關嘅事，第二條你袂 always 講外口看起來再講人是係咪物件本嚟？但所以你若是安尼款 discriminate 人咧，就是只無 fair 啦，就是意思講。
對啊。
嘛成個頂到做工安尼款啊，查某甲查某做工，查某會工資嘅，特別考慮去查某會做工安尼款咧，is almost the same thing。
對 ，actually 我同你講啊，即係 LGBT 嘅 issue 啊 ，ultimately 是到對起到對面是係 chauvinistic 嘅history。
對啊 ，yes。
Because
I'm changing that to my office culture.
Changing that to kailan lang to be chauvinistic pig ah.
I mean equal as in the pay rate or whatever.
Because 你看起來頭淡薄咱講啊，就是你變做人 rasa especially 係你家己有淡薄冇咩 secure 把樣家己 manhood 嘅人啊。淡薄你看只這咧。拍人啊，拍咧gay 人 gay bash 啊，是 LGBT 即係 transgender 人 bashing 啊，即係這 look deep down 每一人嘅時候，伊人家己 because 人家己 fear 嚇 ，because 伊驚講伊 bring 伊人別人看到人嘅樣嘅看咧嚇 bring up 人家己嘅疏膽，伊家己成日伊家己心裏面有刺啊，但係伊講伊淡薄 slight attraction to gay 嚇，伊變做
confidence，
伊變做成日伊。一邊就成日講OK， 成日我哋打波成 super macho 啦，因為看到嘅時候 super macho 人一邊冇可能講哇，你打波人打波咯，一時自己打波，一邊講嘅呢，一見人講伊安怎的伊係咧，但是講伊是 totally comfortable with 伊嘅 sexuality 啦，伊就係講我冇錯，我講咩話係我嘅 sexuality 我其實 confident 嘅，變咗冇人嘅安怎的伊係，伊都冇驚講呢話。
阿莫伊即係講到你嘛，是唔是？bully 啊，本來
家己是啊，即係 ，because 講到啲我見到是家己 fear，所以你個看你 the loudest mouth 啊，to attack 你 gay community 嘅打波啊，你就自邊。
你對看伊就是有問題啊，佢哋就是 main problem。
有係咩啦 ？John 嘅 always two sides to a coin 啦。你講古仔時啊，我夾佢都打波。真真緣投 until one day 我去
嚇咩嘢
until one night 啦，我去 disco 我看到伊啊，真查某 there's end to the story.
Drag queen?
Yes, so the thing is 你知啊嘛耍咯，你知講嘅係咪啊嘛耍咯 ，that's the end of the story 咯。But depending on 有嘅人personality 是 weak 嘅，你知哦。Ilang take ilang a weakness and they need to transform that weakness into something macho. So if you hide behind that that's why look at bullying, bullying. Why? Because they need to
power ma.
Ilang
power.
Ilang lang cai weak ma. So if
overcompensate.
Yeah.
No,
so
overcompensate.
That is the only thing. But I think a lot of issues stems from family. It's not so much about society. It's because families are the worst. Ilang I
bin chui.
Kalau say about bin chui. Why can't they just support their family members and say we love you no matter what you are?
Yeah.
Because you are what you are. We still love you. But ilang ho itaki family members cinta pressure, and that is, it's not so much society. Society cannot be bothered. Why should they be bothered? Look at chap lang isu ah. Bo isi ilang taki hide behind lang taki own shadow, scared of their own shadow. That's the whole trouble. Look, case family problem
這是82半處。
我 feel 到啊，別人唔是講要拍槍，是話拍槍拍死人，所以係
冇害到人冇。
因為我哋冇害到人，就是 living our life in our own way 呢嘛。
對啊，無人插，無人去管嘅，無人去講嘅啦，無人 nobody 安尼家婆，家己嘅來去插人安尼事。But it is their own family members 驚人講，everything is 驚人講。
And also, no, and also the family yang family 驚講，伊個是去外口嚇，別人會bully 伊as he or she acting in that way. So he or she not ready to protect himself.
So fear lah. It's also fear. Both ways is also fear. Fear of people talking, fear of them being bullied. Kalau si fear lo, and then this fear transform into something so negative, and they put the blame on society.
我講 OK， 尤其是若是講你有驚字啊，你 suspect 你驚字，若是講是 gay， 或是 lesbian， 或是 trans， 你要緊嘅吼，我就是歡呼啦。若是講人聽到，我當然你講到這個話題啊。你若是有聽到，你若是有懷疑嘅時，你得要緊你要想到，唔是想到你面主性，你得要緊要想到是你家己嘅驚字性。你 support， 你是要 support this poor soul 性 ，because 伊若是你無你出來人嘅 support， 伊安怎去外口找人 support？你直接你
have suicidal thought，
哈，就是你做咩是這濟人啊，無攞走咁樣死嘅嗬，就是因為伊人無所在去，你咁樣你咁樣嗬，你驚死哦，有人咁樣啊，老實講，but 你是只積壓嘅事咯，就是特別較濟爸母嗬，無講愛人驚死死嘅，除非你被愛你面水，濟過你愛你驚死咩？你咁樣學人講是咁樣驚死，
你看啊，你。Only 有安尼款嘅 family 呢咯 ，because 樣 OK， 成日淡薄你講嘅，特個人不是愛驚字好嘅嘛對，所以樣用 force 咯，
就是
either force into street or big or like 成日可樣 punishment， 而是樣安尼款咯 into the way that the family or the in the family is accept 嘅咯。你碌變咗可你逼家下你哋係 happy precisely， 你碌逼家一笑咯。
少。
Then there comes the suicidal thoughts.
Correct.
That's why LGBT youth is suicide rate 嚟關。
一般只是一個只 gentle 嘅人，有可能就是好讓逼家嘅款啊，一變出真嘅 aggressive 起，不有可能嘅都這樣。
別嘢就是別嘢咧，慢慢嚟別嘅。
日度嘢咯，我譬如講日度。
我哋呢次看 newspaper 有寫講，人被 boycott 下你 petrol station because 伊 support LGBT 啊，實咧，你白刀我咪白苗咯，
笑誒，
白苗，
唔一是笑誒嘢啦，support LGBT 嘅白苗係咪？
我佢當下你 company support LGBT，
所以你 company。哪里 support 你？
下你
哦，下嘅是美國公司嗎？美國公司是係咪嘛？
即係肯定人真係 shallow 買得到㗎。
又冇啦 ，sometimes 是有樣類嘅，有咧是有樣你北京嘅公司啊，香港啊，家己 agenda 是邊度是你北京公司，係一間公司，就是可以較少人請去成呢一間公司來咯嚇。
我講只物件，
嗰條 news 講about 係你 transcend，係使接 female toilet 冇啊？
你美國咪是只大大字美國。
去 handicap toilet 咪冇數咯。哎呦 handicap toilet。
冇，這就是用一個人嘅想法，你按 issue 本是人被 empathize 啊，人被想講用腦嗰邊方面來看啊，伊是想是用。伊個幾方面來看，所以你咪是 Steve 咯，
對啦，這個是真正 simple 嘅問題嘛。你感覺到伊是怪人嘛 ？OK， 有問題嘛 ？OK， 你可以去 handicap toilet settle the problem。你個講緊你是做咩？對唔對？一個 toilet 呀嘛。
我真係學 啲看了話個，我去 toilet 裏邊。
哎呦
，normal，會想嘢咯。
嗱，第一機，你咪，所以你其實萬事有人看到你成個驚啫。
驚就請驚啊！因為條車嘅看了啊！
你講誒，我
有波大波嘅，
我都冇計講，我開嚟搞上嘅。
我冇講啊，
你咪講
上到對啊！
我本是阿崩有啊，阿崩有。
我冇阿崩哈，
我冇阿崩
嘅哈。
我知道是
哈，
就是
我最用呢 channel 嚇 announce to all the parents about 呢物件。No matter this to all the parents 啦。No matter your son is about LGBT 又好，水又好，無水又好，貪累濟貪累少，為生，按照款話，按照款無是亂驚亂生出來。
對。
對，咪去compare，咪去人比是人，咪去是人講。
就是
我。因為咩事？最近呢，我就是拄到一個客卡。规日 complain 伊話伊驚啦，你看。Because of the obligation 啊，我特別聽，但係 until one stage 我未同啦，我講 ，Look, you need to stop. That is your daughter. No matter how bad she is， 無水也好，面也好啊，你生出來，對。伊看成你看不是你教出來嘛 ，upbringing 物件，你袂使講亂別人了喎。Put back into yourself， 你是你看家己咯。So having said that 啦。但係阿姐講一條咯 ，family first， 你袂使講下下面嘅愛落 society 嘅 ，accept them as who they are.
Actually, well, society is built by individual families. So, society is put together by families, individuals and families. So, but
very beginning.
你要start嘅時候，你袂使講我幫我社會嚟嘅，你都要幫你出來，你家己身邊，你家己身邊嚟嘅。所以你袂使講等個社會換時，你想出來兩邊就是使換，就使嘅了。有見咧就是講，真係人講啊，成日講伊見啊 come out to parents 時 ，parents 嘅 reaction 真係快 to react 呢，就是 react to 家己面水性，時候就安怎交代人。我有一個 talk 啊。我一個 bishop， 我有捌幫佢到啲 online 捌幫佢。我一個 bishop 來甲我講，伊個小安尼小弟 come out to 伊是 as gay 嘅時候，伊講，因為伊是 US 嘅 bishop 嘛，伊講伊頭一個想到，伊就是想到 ，Oh my God， 我是 bishop， 我安怎甲人交代？伊講 after that 嘅時，伊個想到講 ，Oh my God，how selfish of me to only think about me first before think about 伊個 brother。So 讓我 reminder 就是講，若是你驚住來甲你講，是可能 hint。還是你懷疑是你要緊你問 lash out based on 你家己面對你家己嘅reasoning 性要緊就是要講是講你嘅驚性。成個我講只 can 咧。
冇啦 I mean very easy for us to say 嘛，對哦。The sad thing 就是講 I mean 真係人就是冇人嚟看笑咯。
特別
我家己。是小面水性
啊，冇啦，就是講當今人，若是人當今人聽到嗬，我冇辦法嘅教了人嘅想法嘛。特別咱到這邊有聽，即個調即個錄音嘅人嗬，有幾那 can 好啊，一兩 can 好樣聽到咧嗬，因為可能當今冇驚過，特別不到有驚係樣想到是 at least 伊人捌講 discuss， 總是人係安尼即。A generation 嘅無相嘅 problem 直直傳落去，就是無人講嘅事。如果 it's not out in the open， when there's no discussion 嘅，伊個 issue 嘅 problem 直直接落去嘅。
John, this is not this thing about 愛面水啊，唔是 it is not confined to an LGBT issue. Okay?
Yeah， 唔是。
I give you an example. Stop it!
你講話peanut.
Start from the dog issue.
我係隻狗是gay嘅條件。有年我
誒，安尼可能我係隻狗 brown color 嘅本是 LGBT 啊，係我係，伊淡嗬，伊隻翻啲啊，往出去到 cafe 嗬，伊 attract 嘅了，秒會到去找伊嘅喎，係喊伊嘅喎，係喊伊嘅喎，你特別走嘅啫。
你做得來，佢所謂咁是嘅咯。
爽咯！
本地是為狗走，但你秒係狗係喊伊走。
哦，出名啊，你狗。
出名啊！
我係狗是看到更嘅嗬，伊是更嘅咪看到更嘅開卡嘅更嘅。
開卡，都把你。
啊，毛毛菇，你咪是成個毛毛菇啊！嗰種。
我隻 brown，
水咯，
毛毛菇。
我隻，我
冇啦，佢卡是 key 我都擺數啦，我成個係。
等我講下一半，再講。
嚇，再講嚇，你講唔是㗎啦，唔是 LGBT。
It's not。我講，那是講。
普通話有咪腔？你搞個就係半腔。
個囝啦，一個大波囝啦，本來甲你講啦，伊暑假着一個查某30歲留過伊個 ，first reaction
少，
人別講係咪？伊人想一個囝伊人嘅 reaction 就是人別講係咪？
哎呀，你老了啦，袂使啦，哈咪卡嘴啦，對，甲了一大堆大過路啦，哈咪甲了啦。
頭一個伊人講嘅話就是，你行出去要互人講，要互人笑。
人安怎講咯
？That is a very very wrong preconception because
actually 嗬，頂到人。
即係講。
真係講茄了，
真係講popcorn嚟啊！真係講笨popcorn。
講是唔是即係物件？
冇啊，冇聽下。
笨popcorn係冇聽到。
聽未叫啊？
冇啊。
即係講。
So 這個物件哈，伊是 parents 啦，伊人真係愛面，伊人就愛換伊人嘅 mindset，伊人袂使 continue with 這個愛面水嘅 mindset，because 係 generation 嘅啊。
แล้ว OK แล้ว你要叫人嘅啊，還是嗨啊？你叫你，我講較死就是啊，當你要叫人。別使自己啦，都俾佢 convert 啦，咪直頭都仔你叫你 Christian 咧，叫你咪 pray 自己嘅位啊，
你咪看老官啊 ，pray 自己嘅位，
pray 自己嘅位，
แล้ว會咩？
你 OK，你話真係話我是 Catholic 先係個大漢，你真係話 spend 咗hours years of prayer so that why hopefully become straight 哦，你真係話
why？
我就是我細漢 ，Oh my God！ 我細漢較大漢，我去 novena because 我 religion 教我講，教人打波，會使教人家查波，我 automatically 我 attraction to 打波，我就 suppress 啊，所以我就被講啊，我朋友個人講 church 是講，you are a good person 啊 ，but if you can just act a little bit more like a man 啊 ，you'll be better。Look， 我聽到and then message 到我咪是哦 ，OK，I'm bad。So 我就是講 ，the only time 我會做就是我 pray 是我就借你細漢個大漢，since 我會知講我自己冇像甲別人嘅時候，我就是 pray 講 ，OK God make me normal again so that I don't have to deal with this every single day。我特別想那款嘅物件咋，我就借你做咩事我要出來講嘅那款物件，就是可能就係講，你就係講就 damaging 哦，你 every year 你 childhood 你就想講。Oh, I'm less than 我無個，我是 not abnormal 嘅，所以我特別驚我自己，我是特只希望我會驚個 until 我20幾歲再講我是未驚了呀。When 我 accept 我自己時候，我再講，嚇死 ，that is the time when 我 come out 是20幾歲時候，是我 feel that 我規個 whole self blossom as a complete human being， because the whole time 我是特別逃避。咪講話袂使笑小姐，講話袂使笑查某聲，啊咪物件，我特行我 every action 個我阮都袂笑過咗，所以我變咗我 burden 直接重，你知道？咱直接把經驗過呢。
我burden 沙咯，就我無咯，我去教人 open， 我教人走出來，離家出口。唔該，我做。
你 LGBT activist 咯？
冇，了唔該嗬，我負責做工嘅時，了都好是 first batch female engineer 做 apprentice 啦，就入去我公司，了伊都就排去我嘅部門，即是講我做嘅迄個班位。了我感覺到哇，你骨力咯，有影都是查某，特別你做工吼，你比其他人更加好了哦，你敢去動迄個垃圾，你無像迄個 sister， 安尼講。即個驚，迄個驚咧。one day 我解白白出門，是五厘 apprentice， 三厘是當嚟嘅。แล้ว我冇解白白去國考練搭膊頭啦 ，lesbian 嚟啦 ，OK。แล้ว冇白白去練嗲咧，伊教我講一樣嘅 story 到新加坡度，要可憐嗰陣，伊冇得俾伊 make up， 俾伊穿 skirt， 俾伊穿 heel， 除大波河伊。แล้วก็講緊嘛就路，但是講未做查某，他路去嘅人徛。
嘅人是係咪？即
我是掉 area 啦。
哇！我聽了我介學呢，我直頭講我唔要緊啊，我 學你嚟大我嘅厝，你免你去大，你免去聽，先同佢攞出嚟做工啦，你免聽，你對你愛做嘅 role 就好啦。哈，mak ayam 啦，哈，mak ayam 是咯，食沙豆沙咯，豆沙。哎呦，聽到學都真係做嘢。
我俾聽我哋都experience。
冇，I mean because since 先先行人的比較慢一波嘅，知道嗎？
你成個 OK， 你成個哪矮啊？咱 naturally 咧嘛，我成個我特啲俾慢一波嚟，學人講我哪一波啊？強緊
聽了嘛是無爽啊，強緊啊。
所以咱 always say 有人就講係咪啊？學 parents 講你使咪做呢？อันนั้นนุ้ยสมัยโจนะนะสิ哦所以就be careful
特別我唔捌聽 luckily 我唔捌聽 those comments from why family members
哎呦
我 only 捌聽過是我聽我 church 嘅 friend 佢就是我 church 嘅 friend 啊特別有啲 relatives 有啲 relatives 會講咯哎呦那麼一波啊咩可能特別我唔捌 directly 聽過我厝人
哦 lucky 咯 John hello friends 啲有些就是講球啊
衝地路
衝地路咯
阿娘叫做阿娘
阿娘冇啦
我講阿娘是我就四位神鬼十咪看那定金咩神鬼就ไปกับรองซ่า阿娘
有啲硬嘅嘢出嚟
我就要講緊嘢佢
Oh my god OK 聊你聽人講啦
I mean not the of course not the you know it gives you a feeling cause that you know you are not good enough
yeah you're not good enough you're normal you're weird
you are so until 講 you know there was a time 嚟講 until 講我 start to more 講嘅 accept 我嘅嘢and of course the time was after I came out the period because for me coming out of course it was a very tough time for me because 佢係you know ตัวนิสัย嘛แล้วสิwhen my parents found out I said you know 我哋ตัวเป็นหาว啦ไม่สู้啦แล้วรู้สึกเสียหายสิ學la molesta because last time ว่าที่ฉัน講我去學小豬嘅時咧，是學la molesta แล้ว所以มันในคอน
我個聽過迄個 case 個坐去安公廟嗰邊，阿妹講過。
我嘛是對啦，
我聽。
唔，我講是 directly 講坐下去啦，你是 behind 我去門嘅時，我去如果我未叫我講話，我係住安公邊嘅嘛，所以未去安公廟，我都多住嘅時，我講好你知啊。
啉布水掉，
我哋都也啉布水呢，我嗬也迄個刀啊，劍出來剁啊，
剁你姑姑啊，剁你姑姑啊，
冇啊，剁超啊，
哦，你冇聽啦，你是做法人肯剁呀？
因為有啊，有款啊，有切沙，攞隻超啊！你講浸對迄個筋啊，係咪筋，人椒筋都有啊！哇，聽啦，未得閒了，老爸，咁了本事 OK，I put on blame 啦 ，OK。咁了本事我老爸做成嘅，伊細漢嘅時就定啲咩話，安怎你查某型嘅行咯，就合起來袂使搖嘅，就係行，成個墨鏡一行行咯，成個上大波，即係就合起來。點加點咩了了到大班嘅時，坐我去參伊嘅朋友 group 嘅咧打波，了想講
馬可個笑哦，
點咗是，而家為了個咧 bingo， 掉個個笑我看咧不加歡喜，even worse 都就係我學我看嘅咧，看啦幫曬啊幫照啊，真係，
我 excited 咧。
No, because my father is transporter 嚟嘛，
我知
你白對啦，咁咧人就去山水，啦山水就是 behind the rock 咁樣人哋放晒哦我酷啲並 enjoy 啦 see it's getting worse
我 OK 設定到時我咪是白問啦所以 because 我是有迄個度了我寫我差唔多 around 8歲嗰陣時我就再講我淡薄冇想，我係成個講admire 係是我未曉嘅 ，because 係是我 sexually 有被 developed 過咯，就係是特別我再講，
我就係行路仔啊，
我 drawn to 咧，
有些 feeling 了誒，哦，我睇你 feeling since kindergarten 了，
嚇，我再講我先佢哋會嚇，佢哋
我是我冇情沙，
我冇情沙，
我冇情沙，
我打波冇情沙，哦。哎，我是假的
racist，你是看 TV，你是看 TV 嘅，你是看講，
你係記迄個 Blue Lagoon 咯，你看？
冇，我是看 Chips， 我是看 Eric Estrada。
Oh my God! Yes, 我們是假，因為是哦，
so類似好啊，我開始講 ，so from the time on 我你知講的 ，you know the something different about 我嘅記到誒 ，but for me，I mean so then later then when there was one that period 講，I know 我想講I'm the only person who 嚟看你
feeling，我們想
，until 我看到講 Boy George，
哦 ，Boy George give you hope。
Culture Club 嘅時OK， 原來嗰個 someone else 唔是安尼款嘅，所以我講講，而家 feel 講OK，so
that's why
即係唔是安尼款嘅 society。
That's why 我被講出來，我老實講，有可能 OK，if 人這 conversation 是 open up for 係 potential 嘅 LGBTQ 嘅 youth 看到啦。你 parents 講，就是你人嘅看啦，影響你嘅看。But frankly，你一波已經出嚟，就是我能 save， 我能是叫伊安尼，可能做你嘢檢毒啊，嘢就冇只啊嚇。
叫中記啊。
嘅嚇，有時候好多人驚住檢件你痛苦嘅頭腦。特別我講聽，我咪是，定假時我咪是有，我就講我冇想啊，所以我 imagine 啊，我 imagine 成日教人傳播啊，我成日冇咩痛㗎咋，我係啊，嗰我未啊，你係如果說
阿咗佢未 imagine 你驚係出來上咗，
就係導啊，
導啊
，anyway，有我咪是 ，so because 我係 religious background 後，我就想講。我冇 totally 冇 attraction to 雜我 ，maybe 是我 calling to be a priest 啫。所以我咪是想講要做 priest 啦，我只一年我教我媽講我媽樣個啦會記嘅，我是想講我買教應我這邊是買教應我拍攝我要做神父。特別係教會要去做神父時候，我去你 college general 啊，對，所以頂下俾 Mount Mary 邊，哇！我去嗰邊去 visit 咯，去看。是我看到樣個了，我冇青衫入面踢 football 啊，我心嘅跳嘅快咧，所以我未，
爽啊嚇，係啦，
未，
就是
too much distraction。
我是行了，我留嚇，冇了我老爸講未好勢了，了到開幫給我看，嗰個詩嚇，
我自己我就係嚟隨路啊，嚟講話聽我哋八格咯。
哈，你看半了，咱就 focus 了，哇，好條安尼大條，安尼爽佢。你常常叫我去看查某阿公，我就講未，我就是 focus 掉迄個物件爾嘛。哇，個甲死咯！這啊，甲你講啊，煮假煮參啊。
你 topic 突然間想我望佢看阿公。
我看阿公，我個較興趣啊。
逼我看阿公。
I think 我想我估嘅 father 伊做嘅 ，I mean a bit 加 direct 咯，講翻就講我嘅 parents 講用加之類嘅，加 discreet 嘅，伊 father 識開 direct。
好啦。But that is the only way he knows how to deal with 嘛，對。
對。
So 咱別使講怪，特人爸母成日看，but 人家己愛做下面嘅事是人家己的事，特別我人講破，人聽人哋只物件，你看你物件，你是冇咩機會聽到嘅。你看你 conversation，你去得嚟不聽過 DVD 噶，
咪就係 DVD 噶，
咪就啦版嘅是，
咪就係啦版啊。
嗰一個，你唔捌聽過？
哈
On the flip side，我有一個 cousin， 我人白白大漢甲我真係 close 嘅啊。แล้ว大出入我厝，帶 girlfriend 過來，互我看，問我這查某水哦。到尾是自己嘅事 ，it decide that wasn't his orientation。個有人安尼笑話甲伊講。佢免甲我講，我未接受。
哦，
無問我呀，但係 make a decision，叫伊講咪講。
即係你 cousin 條路是講。
我家己 cousin 啊。
特別人 assume 講你未 accept。
我未接受嚇，然後甲伊講免講我聽，覺得堅持。I mean 有啦，要都尾要甲我講 ，because 要帶伊翁來互我看啦。對啊啦。
你開始你個 found out 個對個人肯講你啦。
講我嚇，然後伊講，誒，你話無 reaction 呢？伊講啊，你 reaction，what reaction are you waiting for？然後伊講有人甲伊講，問甲我講頭別，咪互我知講，我未接受。I think that is a very wrong attitude。你袂使講安尼，你袂使有 preconceived 講人安尼人未接受 ，because you must give that person a chance, right？
有。
然後你講係人未接受啊，你要第時間就係講係人接受啊。It's not for the 人to接受啊 ，It's not for that 人to接受 ，It's for you to 接受 yourself。
對本啊，特別你想 from let's say from 我嘅 point of view 啦，人講，你會希望人 let's say 嗰時let's say 講 if 我是到底。From what as a gay man standpoint, when I come out, see, why initial reaction because of how 即係我不聽過即係 story 就是 rejection first。你就be always expect the worst first。Even though 我作為 parents and loving 我能 come out 對人時，我冇 expect 講我能有可能伊唔係，我叫我係是我係孫仔樣，我係自己做我樣，咁細漢個，我係講 maybe 樣有可能 decide 唔係好啊。relationship to with 我係自己驚㗎啦，我想到講，but that point 嗬，特人就是想到 worst case scenario 對，成嘅啦。
You came out together with your brother 嗬
？Yeah， 對，我諗出就係 through email，because 嗰時我 already date 我啱啊嘛，
你 email 你爸嘅嘛？
我 parents， 我係哥。
哦，唔是你去隨人講啊，你 email 嘅啦。
我 email，我講 benefit of emails。Benefit of emails is 依兩有 time to process, so that 你別講 blurt out something hurtful or anything。你冇，我 sometimes 你冇 mean 嘅，你就講嘅話，你就講出來。So when 你有 time to process 啊，我 feel 到較好。But anyhow，我係是我 already 我 feel 到 once I discover 我嘅件事啦，你知唔知係pressure 啊，when 我20幾年後 ，all the while 我哋成日講，我未使 completely 是我自己，我特別假淡薄，我做講話，驚人講話，笑啊驚人講話，我行路啊驚人講話，坐啊驚人講話，我係 fear 係啦，我特日我 every breath 是 make me straight，so 我真 damaging 嘅咋，我 until that moment 我 come out 嘅時候 so liberating 啊。真係 liberating， 我變到 feel 到我想 ，oh my gosh， 喂，I don't frankly it's just like I don't give a fuck anymore, right? So 我冇插啦，我發現 when you tasted that joy of becoming who you are， 但你真係你會知，你變去煩惱個人啊，你直頭話就是話你插，我冇插你安怎？係一種嘅感覺嚇，是真 freeing 嘅 liberating。所以我唔逃避啊，所以我講我。嗰時起我嗰時拄到 Bruce 時，我就講我唔教我老我嘅 parents 本，我直頭講 OK， 我其實我去找 Bruce 係咪物件？然後有人就懷疑 安怎即不是出來啊？唔捌聽伊講，你都每位過，那是，我諗我呢個啲咧，我舊位過咗隻 decide 講我未必我冇講我即係位過乜事嘅，所以我諗咗隻 decide 講，when 我諗 I come out 時，我諗咗隻 I come out，所以我過到寫 email through email come out 對伊人咯，但伊人我講。Ilang si religious, but at the same time, I feel like yang focus si on 我人較濟過 on 名聲 or the religion 啦。Because yang 頭一 response 是講伊講我是萬馬啦，我巴士啊特別萬馬講伊看到是伊心就痛，特別唔是 because 我人是嘅，是 because 我人嘅 struggle。Go through my struggle 是伊無到底下邊，伊人未 support 我人。So 你看伊嘅 focus 唔是到底伊人嘅辛苦，伊 focus 是到底你我人嘅辛苦。
對。
我諗做爸母人較細緻淡薄，多細細漢囡仔們好係講話是啊，即係 side comment 啊，即係真正 damaging 嘅 side comment 啊 ，sometimes。
John 佢嘅 parents 啊，女嘅
啊，就是我講就係我就是講我有安尼 opportunity 嗬，我再講我 family 嘅 support，我再講我嘅 livelihood 被掉影響，我未想我工人識我其實什麼，我特別出來講，係是我嘅 voice 就是 an activist voice，就是 because 我做咩做 activist 就是講我有迄個機會嚟講人。講可能再講一個 gay person 就是安尼，所以把到那邊看到你 gay 是唔再看到你樣自己 image 啊、鬼來啊，什麼樣自己 build 出來 image。你再講是只人哈，有人有變有靈魂有體嘅人嚇，是 gay，你把到你看到人 attack gay 嘅人是 at least 你再講你捌到一個人是最最。是 gay，你變咗你有人會幫到迄個字嚟講，你變咗冇嚟驚去。因為你冇呢怪嘛，你把跨過嘛。但係我係啦，變咗學我 start 係 because 我 start online 成日 online 是做我係 online 是我係 personal journal 啊，我講就係 LGBT 嘅 issue 到底下邊 ，because 意思上我我嚟講是只大影響咯，因為伊了解20幾年嘅 searching 嘅 time 咧咋，所以我俾當今講出來，所以就別個人免行過迄一條路，我行過迄條路。我第一行迄一條路咧，就是我想講我自己一人是安尼，我唔知講外口別人有人 experience 安尼過。
但係 John，actually 那是講爸母咯。爸母無借無少債淡薄嘅。
有人。
你安怎逃避唔袂 ？because 我有一個 cousin 啊，伊細漢，伊2歲爾啊，我就感覺伊有安尼款嘅 inclination 樣。特別 ，it is not that 伊人唔知，伊人會後，I mean 啦啊。
In denial。
deny 講有安尼事 ，and up to today 啊，up to today。It's something that 伊人冇講about it 嘅啊 ，because 伊嘅 parents 真正 old fashion，you know。所以我阿個伊嘅哥知啦，特別 never 講嘅，但我 suspect because 我哥伊細漢我會知嘅嘛，對。但無理由我去問伊嘅嘛。
即是伊人嘅 privacy 你家己 choice 嚟。
對，伊若是無教我講無理由我去問伊，你是安尼，我問你係使去問人安尼 ，that's very rude 對哦。特別我感覺講啊，無理由嚇，若是講一個人外人 then the parents 啊會知啊，會 pick up 啊 ，parents 未 pick up。
特別sometimes 你是 pick up，特別 pick up 咧，伊攞裝咯，一個就是你 deny，你唔是你家己 deny 呢，你 parents 本 deny 咯，對。And then the second one 就是伊人就是成個默默鬼扮，佢就是 immediately be try to diagnose and try to correct 咯。
特別我 mother 冇喎，我 mother 冇想喎，我 mother 變到是 side 外面。when 我 from 3 start 加人拍拖，了行到21歲，了冇去了，了想講嗰陣時講，驚講有陣時 father 冇啲啊，了出 mother 想驚 mother worried 嘛，了我冇坐一個 girlfriend 對處咯，了 yes，了坐對去了，一個 girlfriend 本是白了 good friend 嚟嘅，了冇去對去幹嘛？你講這是我嘅 girlfriend，了 放對除了咯，了就 next day 我咪得講，你咪坐雜波對嚟個好啦，你坐雜波對嚟個好。你講緊食好
我 Google fact hack
哈，了就是OK 個那時哈，你數個那時我冇講，咪得個基本嚟制，所以 OK 咯，能講了咯，伊了解我心，我了解伊心就好了咯。
Tapi dia Asian parents mesti ada kan lu bokong never had the conversation. Macam cakap penyu mesti ada kan. Ilang bokong ni lo. So ilang halisi ilang在yang第一做一教的就是。
哪里嘛本身？
一部金梅。哎呦，你 popcorn 啊 popcorn 啊，再講lu先。
pop 嚇？
你細聲個講過，再講過。
哇，一堆去。
哎呦 popcorn 啊 pop 去啊。嗰就是我未講過，啲機都未講，我能講個啦，大聲啦。
冇了，聽你。
到差別款，
我們是聽你。
我
即係講聲個你聲，即係講聲，即係講聲未好事，沒事。
Hello.
OK，我咪你人動劍啦嚇。我 feel 到 sometimes 你感覺到可能看不起，還是可能 bully，是有當時 because 你嘅 power 到底到落去咯，when 人會用你嘅 sexuality as a ransom 嘛。อันจะก็เขาเกี่ยว sorry ว่าผมมีก็แบบ because when I deal with 这类 issue 是个了我是到底 US 所以我มีเกี่ยวกับ是这样เลย
所以動劍嗬，我個奧地都我諗第一 dangerous
嚇，
嗱我諗啲馬來西亞嘛動劍，
冇，你冇可以爆啊嘛，你冇可以。
What out an cooler? I don't know because. Penang community, I think we're out for quite some time now and been quite open with most of my friends.
是講你冇 out 是你變咗可能爆咯，所以 sometimes 你用人用佢哋 as a ransom 嚟講，你講啊嚇，我去講出嚟人聽，你講出嚟人聽咯，佢世界人知㗎了呀。你成日當劍，定當時邊啲學人頭啦做事，咪是人講咯，你波曉啊，笨蛋啊咩講啊，笨蛋唔係學句啊，佢世界人知啊。
我照埋香港人特別講係死基佬，แล้ว我講 OK 咯，我係基佬，冇相干嘅，下次你嘅仔都係基佬。
我感覺到啊。我感覺到Penang是靠 OK，靠冇問題啦，not that dangerous 唔係咯，呀，我 better because 我係 hometown 是喺Perak 嘛，Perak 瓜拉更
沙，哈，
啊，我那一隻，所以唔敢 come out 嘅嘛，所以Penang我住就 free 嘅，very freely，冇插喎，做去物件我本。
你細漢那大漢本是家地頭啊，真係可能是你到底過來講啥，你是特別卡咪唔敢做咯，愛做嘅嘢。
唔敢做，
到你特別
怪怪咯，
較爭啦，較成日做你想嘢 against 自己嘅 will 就成日爭
嚇，
較 feminine 啊冇嚇。
咖啡啊，唔係不是情課啦，情 shirt 咁當嘅啦。
啊，做咩事我咩啦？做咩事你成日逼我當見未去情冠係呐？係邊有雙方性嘅事情？成日所以你成 against 你自己誒物件，成日即係做係叫你情義散，可能係一種你想你 naturally 就買小愛嘛，對唔對？
啊，對，是咯。伊什麼咧？伊樣我當部朋友本時講，你情冠啊，看你個水嘛，個茶煲咁啊，講無像 suspect 你是lesbian 係怎樣啦？佢講我情冠還是無情冠，我本是 still lesbian 嚟。對冇？對。你 outside appearance 啊，本是被影響到你內邊嘅嘛，你內邊是你自己內邊有嘅嘛，唔是講啊。
對。
未使騙自己咯，你較好你自己出來咯。
我古早細漢時候，我其實啊，我拍拖嘅面時候，我真正太細啊。
because 我無識人 the way that people look at us，you know。當然把酒我只無識解。
人看你啦，係啊。
人腦嗬，there's zero fuck given。
你是唔是 feel 到正 freeing？你嘅 energy 免了到啲咧，別人看你嘅目睭看咗看你啊，你就頭 focus on 你自己呢。
我會啊！
我後邊人用嘅係目睭看我個計做
extra bonus 係嚇。
我計做。
我是 tomboy 嘛。我有時看，因為有人是看哎呀關係啊，迄個啫。比如我朋友吼，尤其是查某甲查某吼，迄個樣佫較一人看了樣。
哦，你是講成哦，I see。
尤其是無是 long hair 我成查某款的。
lipstick
佫較一人看了樣。
lipstick。
誒，這點我有一個 question 啦，let's ask about lesbian dom 先嚇。古早嗱 90s or earlier 20嘅時候，我 try to 有捌到朋友lesbian tomboy， but 伊人真係無 friendly， 真係無想愛教我人打波講話，佢有真驚 something 嘅喎，是唔是？安尼看？
我甲打波嗰時是 brother 迄個喎。
我對條係無，有真驚。
特別驚我講聽，我 experience 我講你講。
嗰時有時候甲打波，好像是想，比如好像是自家想這物件。Maybe feel threatened.
Okay, why theory 是
話competition。
特別我 feel 就是伊人嘅 bad experience。because 只打波哈，你看啦，只打波對人安怎啦，一個對 lesbian 嘅查某安怎，伊人看你樣像有人 attack 伊人咧 ，maybe 講 verbally 或者咩 attack 伊人咧，所以變咗冇 trust 打波呀。
有可能哦。
特別冇啦，我較濟我 lesbian friends 嘅了這樣。就啱嘅。
我朋友嗰陣有打波本嘅啊，嗰陣咪是肯嘅。
嗰個動機 OK，古早係時。
maybe 啦 ，maybe 定到是人卡，就是講咪人 attack 啦，成個 OK， 所以我每路人啦，這邊就最參 ，especially identify as gay 啦，你參打這些很我當時是參嗰啲查某誒。
對。
我們想，我覺得查某
N 好，查某 N 真好。
我哋都冇咩想。
我你嚇，我best friend in primary school 我是 gay 嘛，所以我想參為 best friend 啊嘛。Of course again，我都是冇 take part in 你打波嘅 activities 咯。係實什麼 PE 嘅是人你。他football 我咪去拍埋邊燈啊，或者打雜我跑something like that 啦。
我是啲 secondary school 嘅時，佢 OK 有人知，有個人無知，有人懷疑 ，OK 耍無關我事。然後咱 break time 嘅時 ，recess 嘅時，咱莫去 toilet 幫助咯。但咱個關係無接 cubicle 嘅嘛，咱莫徛啲壁位很轉。安怎我徛，我未教嘅時，嗰人擺喺邊，但我徛喺邊，嗰人 boom， 嗰人就，
為什麼大條？
人驚你搶你人見招嘅。
冇啦，唔是驚我看過。
係啦，驚你看啦。
Hello，
咪是好多個情氣個。
你應該上大條嘅數啦。
冇嚟驚人看，人就講哎呦，自己報曉嚟啊，走個了。
嚇，
有陣時就講啦 ，Please don't flatter yourself, you so ugly。
Actually 我感覺到報曉安怎報曉嘛是一般少，嘛是有寶貝我咪冇想咧。
冇就是講人家己 threaten 嘅 issue 是一般人啊 ，issue 是別人嘅 issue 人 threaten 啊，對，跟他 threaten。
我要冇幫路人啦。
OK， 人to wrap up 咗，人
那咩 wrap up 啊
？almost 2 hours 喎。
Yeah。
lang okay, so lang share lang kaya like-minded share, but lang by講 about 成個淡薄冇想法嘅lang嘅 discussion 咯。成個講 OK，你安怎 reconcile between Malaysia a society with kind of progressive human rights issue.
这係冇關係嘅。
我按照，咱有希望哦。你講咱希望咱有一隻馬來西亞卡 I mean please 啊，你看 US progress 我人我對會使教應啊嚇，本來呢隻人 attack 我人個，所以你未 accept 講。
我 feel 到我哋識一隻恐嚇咯。
恐嚇我未聽好。
You know，
你識個恐嚇誒
neighboring country like Thailand。Ilang ay 做 gay marriage 啊，แล้ว Malaysia กลันตัน Terengganu ตีเป็น objection อีก講ลูลัง做แล้วเวลาอาลังก็ไล่เจ้ากี่เป็นเก่าเองเบไซว่าลังเบไซว่าลังบันตา
อีลังบันตาเสียเตะล้ออ่ะ
yes
oh that's
because Malaysia is a Muslim country
yeah
ก็ขันข้อต่ำโปละ
yeah
It's not the society at large. Tapi politicians hide behind the banner of Islam. Now, holu cinta hell aja.
RU35 355.
Kami.
RU355 Innosex ha.
Bo, that is the hudud.
Sharia.
Hudud.
Oh.
มันโบขุดล่ะ
Okay, so 我俾聽 how long is struggle Malaysian struggle.
I mean, as you go as long, I mean, it's going to be a long fight. Okay, I don't know whether we are going to get there in this century.
Ever get there soon?
This century. And frankly, 到啲 US 我唔係冇 expect 講 gay marriage 係快。
Tapi, let's go look put it this way lah. You行出去外口啦。有人做anything bo嘛是哦 in Malaysia even
no that's why we are I mean not only talking about like just being gay with ourselves but one call about even like people who are trans ni you know what around I have quite a trans friends so you know sometimes when one young call the abuse that they face you know the discrimination 係咪嘅啦 so
friends 會較坎坷 because 伊人會看伊人會 image change 嘛對แล้ว若是講伊是唐人還是格林啊還是 Eurasian 伊本無講安尼坎坷 but if 伊是 Muslim 伊真正坎坷咯
我
俾address 把家講嘅 comment 啦，講你講成個話時，as a gay man 我到底變成 OK， 我係出去做 anything OK。Yeah. But 你有 feel
object 咯，有 object 冇嘛對哦。
Yeah, but listen to this. But I'm aware of it though. Well, I'm aware that there's a possibility that somebody can harm me.
You, it's in your mind. You think.
But that's true. Why 做咩事話我呢 idea 就是 because 我在講讓 society be accept in general. Straight 嘅人行出個框 when do they have to think that because I'm straight I will get attacked? When does a straight person they have to think that? That is not equal human right. When in society 啦，所以有冇？
等陣，我冇 understand。是講你行出去，you go about your daily life as you do. Why should people attack you? Based on what? 你都冇當到伊。
Oh yeah, that's why that is why 做咩是人嘅 bash 都是咁款 because 伊人自己被看到等數伊人自己即係 accepting of gay people 係伊人嚟活路咯。
一看未順白啊！
這唔是 Malaysia 係 issue 呢，這是 US 本話 what even until today 啊，我們也想到 there is a slight chance that when people 看到我 because 我係 flamboyant 嘛對，所以問看到我是 there's a very high chances that somebody 會嚟拍我嘅就。
小弟話咧，
你好，老實講一句啊，我喺 Malaysia 啦，我行出去啦，我是 straight 啦，我本是真驚。因為太驚人拍槍。 冇嘢，我行出去外口我就驚了。
阿 John 那是講今日你唔是 gay 啦 ，OK？But 你唔是 flamboyant。But 所以人唔怕你哦。
But我冇我 if我是我唔是 gay 嚟講啊，我冇你 feel。
But then the same flamboyance, whether 你是 gay or 唔是 gay，it doesn't matter.
But why flamboyance 是可能 it grab 你 attention， when 你 grab 你 attention 嘅時候，咱個看到哦，這件是 gay 嚇，對哦。
有一個人，我同你講啊 ，straight A 啊，tapi 不是 grab attention 啊 ，OK？So that doesn't mean that they have.
Yeah, but that sometimes some gay bash on somebody who's straight. So that happens, but 伊人嘅 rationale, but like 佢拍人嘅迄個，
伊人拍人嘅 rationale is not because you're gay, but because 伊人被懂你 flamboyance.
No. That's because the Juju bash 伊嘅人是 because of 伊想講伊是 gay, even though 伊唔是 gay 本身，但是講伊隻 flamboyant 嚟講，伊想講伊是 gay, that's why 伊家去拍伊。That 做咩事 US 有 hate crime 就是 because of 樣 directly, there's no other reason other than the fact that you're gay 伊人拍你。
Like 加工，所以 just hello another example 啦。So last year the Indian boy who 可能拍阿死嘢啊，he has never identified as gay. It's just a bit more effeminate 嘅啦，唔是講唔是 flamboyant. Because 佢是one of my friend and neighbor 嚟。OK， 所以唔是講
attract attention.
John. He is just effeminate, but still at the same time, he was beaten to death. Just because he's a bit annoying ako.
And ilang paing bo.
Tu sinoy mo salah.
Sorry, mo tayo.
Ilang paing without provocation. Ano ko paing because iganui.
Yeah.
Oh, if you read the news,
Kena stupid.
They pull him off because he like he made burger. Then this group of Indian guys saw him, track him off. Okay. Now another friend tried to fight Musibe because it was quite a gang of them. Pull him off, took him to the playground, and then just beat him and sodomize him. I mean, not sodomize with the dick lah. They use. They use I think bottle or something to sodomize him.
God.
So and it has nothing to do with our appearance, because our appearance is other than the fact.
I also have issue.
Nah, look how why kau gay bo gay?
We call the screen
Tu bukan bohong.
We got deal. Wait, we also have issue here. Sometimes lang put the blame on Wang just because you're so flamboyant. 你呢，做咩事？你被行路你搞搖，係咪我都冇笑？我唔是，don't put that blame on me. If the issue that you have is because I'm gay, don't blame it on me that I flaunt my gayness so that you can come beat me up. There's no reason that you have to beat me up because I'm gay.
你講啦，我都唔是，我那是行，了都唔是用你身軀行。
But some, like some people have issue 啦，這樣 deep issue 你這樣嚟 hate 啊，真正 deep 嘅就，所以人看到樣是只 ground 嚟活路。
Just that我講過你Negeri Sembilan ni transgender woman yang the perpetrators just because they do not like transgender people. So yang it's enough for them enough excuse for them to beat up. So this woman have to die.
But there is a law. Lu suka mo suka. Ni講我冇suka看這個人嘅面，因為成排人。
是哦呀。
It's the same thing. 有個人嘅面，咱冇suka，咱看咱有個人嘅面本質，但係 doesn't mean 咱去拍人嘛，對哦。
我拍死咗一個人。
你唔是特人，你看到你 clap eyes on that person，你suka 嘅人嘅嘛，對哦。So does that mean that 特你人，你看到你冇suka，你先去拍人，對嗎？
Well, to those people, they feel that being trans is wrong, then it's against their religion. They do not like it. Now you must keep higher. So she's lying in the hospital right now.
Which part of the religion, which part of the religion,
They just take the reason.
Excuse like
excuse.
I saw somewhere I don't know. I'm not saying that Islam is a bad religion or something, but somebody quoted there was one from where I saw on Twitter. It's okay to kill your enemies or something like that.
If you feel so strongly about that, then you pray for that person lah.
pray 啦。
我咪是只人，咪是會 pray 我我定打死嘅，你真係pray for you girl。Thank you. It worked. It worked.
Stop it！你講緊 diva
就是樣 pray 我就借我 diva energy 出個了。
食個壞咯，我免 pray punishment 個加 strong。
Oh gosh. But anyhow, ultimately 人是人個了，特別你即係冇機會。有拄到無上人叫 QQ 人，忘記 QQ 人是我自己寫出來。OK，人咪是講 straight 咯，人 straight 人就有人講跌嘛。แล้ว有人是講你玩跌，你講那是你 gay 咪是歪咯。我講by 歪會 bad connotation 就 like bad like you know。所以我講我咪歪，我是 Q 嘅，成個跌膜嘅 Q 膜嘛，所以我咪是 QQ 咯。
哦，
阿 John 你講歪你偷嚟看，我係冇歪，佢同我同下。
阿 John L， 阿 John J，OK？
一句更係點巴起來嘅？
阿無定，
更追。So but 人 when 你人我 believe 我相信講，那是講你人講個落唔知嘅物件，唔捌看過面，唔捌拄過人，那是講你會幫出嚟變到啲下邊，你會再講啊，我嘅親戚是住你看。我出來人，點解我係家己人，我是 trans， 所以我是香港大漢變做我關係去咗，所以變做外人別人看到是真奇怪，特別我對我來是講，伊是我阿哥來是，你叫阿哥，所以伊上伊無，我再講伊無上，我再講伊是 previously 答波 ，because 伊成日錯，所以我再講伊是特別我叫阿哥，咪是咁了，對我來講就無呢。weird 就冇呢奇怪，你對我是意思我阿哥呢，你知啊
？All about 關係去看這行嘢，所以你去比較這行嘢。
I think it's acceptance more so than 關係。我古早我諗先係你是，係你人多。
你特別 exposure 你計關係。
係你人多往對面處嘅嚇，你是打波來，特別一女啦，你就係跟女嘅啦。Then, but he keeps himself to himself. We 出來kalau kau hello, ane kau ibu ami chamlang. Maybe maybe because he's self-conscious.
Jangan judge him
We are talking about 40 years ago lah. We are talking recently lah, yeah. And ilang in a way they don't say that to his face. But they refer him as Chabo Heng. But yang bo that in the face.
Of course.
Tapi they are civil. They talk to him. I mean, kai kong all that lah. Ibu kong, lu cai ku cai lang tua ti tote ilang jeep to each other lu cai.
每佢คุยนะเนี่ย
每佢tapi each lang niya ika private. 伊無開伊門，伊拄着你伊有講話 ，you know pleasantries。But then it's acceptance，無人講伊無好話，唔捌講伊無好話啦。Apart from the fact that 人 refer to 伊叫伊嘅時，伊人講嗱查某興水嚟啦，嗱是係咪安尼看定物件啦？But 唔捌講 anything bad about 伊，我唔捌聽過。因為我人細漢甲大漢，我人唔捌聽過。That anything negative asked about this person. So I guess it is society really plays such a big role in that.
But at the same time, you cannot deny the fact that the reason why he has to want to remain private is because he knows that the society does not accept the norm.
But the fact that
but even though
that he thinks they won't accept, but they have not.
But yeah, but the world is not just them. The world 唔是淨係 enable 呢。When 你出去時，你一個人講，一個人在是全世界人講個了是嚇死是現在啊 ！Oh my god！
Sorry， 當然你先話係 boss 啊，係 mute 啊。
我冇超啦，唔係亂啊，白樓推啦。
劍條落誒，啲大條做嘅，但係落幾少劍條嘅。
你即係是，即係講你即係嚇 that fear 嚇，你 experience 過啊？你個就係講即係都冇人 attack 伊歪你就係講 that is the power of the society。人講即唔是 society fault 就是特別你在我細漢我聽你聽人講，還是出來人，還是邊個 neighbor 講about，我做咩事在講我嘅人嘅，我做咩事驚，做咩事我要 pray the gate away。Because 我聽就係 either from church，還是 from 家己人，還是 from 朋友，有人叫我喂笨蛋，喂報曉查某兄叫我就係講 that name calling 啊 is not to meant to encourage me. That name calling is meant to press me down. So 我係知講，哈咧是伊人嘅樣嘅口氣啊，樣講嘅個了我聽到唔嘅 collectively 就是做好我就係講我比賽安尼款嘅。
But 伊人叫你啦 to your face 啦。
哦，當然人，所以你就係講哈咧，伊細漢時無條bully過不咩？對，你細漢過時，伊樣會影響過時到學堂嘅，即係正面嘅話影響冇時到啲學堂嘅，到啲貼到啲嚟。So 變咗哈咧就是就變咗咩事見哪樣嘅款呢？
特別 what you say is true. Gina among Gina 啦，they are the most cruel.
就是有樣冇 filter 一隻頭。
Because 伊人冇 realize how damaging it is. 伊人冇 realize how hurtful it can be to the next person. 伊人講了啊，對伊人是講出
歡喜。
伊人笑人啊，伊人冇 realize how it will affect the other person when 伊人 group together and they don't realize. Look at what today why I post on Facebook because I saw that bullying taking place in GMN Global Malaysia Network. Okay, 我別打閒啊，我 post 呢。一人啊 bully for the sake of bullying. Okay, 伊無插你是嘴，你是大佬。They just want to they are opinionated. Everybody has an opinion. True, tata lama opinion. But why is it that your opinion means so much to others when other people's opinion means nothing to you?
Testing. Sorry, what my pie? 啦，攞點幾正嘅話，咱按只小山。我我未看讓advice or real final statement 咪講係咪？
我今日條評定是較好了啦，做來做好啦，無阿咪歹啦，介了不順行，然後我面對嘅物件，介了本是怪 normal 啦，係想係咱咪做去當人身故，咱做咱家己嘅法，都是順利利了，無去插無去關係咪物件？
別人
but again 冇啦冇冇啦，我是愛咁。ไม่รู้ว่าส่วนไหนก็รู้บุหิกวนอ่ะแล้วสิส่วนทะเล population ไหนก็รู้บุหิกวนเนี่ย for example ก็ทะเล trans community น่ะก็ดูสิ是講
我意思是講我 personal 我家己人講我冇安尼看了咯 so what like 上個我去買手指嘅時我冇是講你講我買咩手指我講我買 Benz 你講住嘢我講我人搞嘅呢變到伊人 accept 伊介紹介都真係好，樣真係歡喜。
眼淚淚嘛
嚇對。
冇啦，阿邊發我邊事啦。
阿邊你
冇啦。Again 就我 point 咧講，我都講 it's very easy 講，原來人 just 講啦代志嘛。你諗啊，research member 講，人 those also in our community 講係 the trans especially the trans 啦。Because young person they marginalized, they get the worst of everything you know, what can we do to help them? So this is why I think my
think
my
about
message.
Yeah.
what I can say is that when we want respect, we also have to give that respect. If we want our voice to be heard, we also have to be ready to listen to other people. We can understand that the minority will always feel suppressed, right? But they will also have to listen to the voices of the people in a nice way. 唔是講人拍擼罵擼就聽啦 You know what I'm saying is that 咱要再看什麼事伊人 object， 什麼事伊人被 accept， and 看 which part of the area that they cannot accept and try to come to a happy medium, because end of the day we have to coexist with each other. Both up 你是 straight 噶，你是 LGBT 噶，你是乜嘢？ We have to coexist.
That's true. That's only partially true because that again shows that the standpoint is from somebody who does not have to face that. When I am a trans person, my mere existence is an objection to a lot of people. No, I don't have to say anything. I just have to step out the door outside niya lang to attack wala.
Yeah, but then if let's say lah, if you diam and you don't do anything, you're not going to resolve anything because you are accepting their attacks. But if you fight back, it's not going to help you. So the only thing is you voice out in a nice way and tell them and ask them, okay, lu accept what we try hamisu. You know, I think a lot of issues can be resolved if we can actually have meet halfway. And 你會使講人講嘛 ，OK， 當今我穿衫無上得你，我冇用條你，我冇用條你衫。你若是別看我 ，you can turn the other way， 你免看我啦。But actually，我穿衫，查某冇穿衫嗎？
我是有咧，
查某我穿衫嗎？我是查某我做打波。這隻查某 also 穿褲嗎？冇咩
？Why advise 呢 ？Especially for trans community 就是。成日就講嘅呢 ，yes， 你特別有 communication and education， 你可以 make progress。So， but 唔是隔了人 especially LGBT 嘅 community 啊，特別人嘅 extra effort 對人嘅 trans community because 我 understand 伊人要行嘅路，比我人嘅靠近一啲。我人 already fight 這樣子，我人 get away from a lot of stuff because we don't look like them. So 你特別靠你人，所以那唔是講 only人 like gay, lesbian and bi 呢。人嘅 ally， 人講這字當然唔是 in support of， 人譬如講哎呦這個嚟嘅，啊做咩事個，而且當今嘅世界個人 bully 人嘅款，你人就是人講嘅時出現係講你看到你啊。Yo， 看到一個 transgender 人講，你看你，你看咁歹看伊，伊成日是打波嚟啊！他時就是 education moment 你就俾人講，你冇插伊，你插佢打波啊！講到咩事？但都俾 respect 伊 as an individual。
I think instead of 講你插佢打波啊 ，maybe you should say。If a choice lah, you think if they want to be what they are, if they have a choice.
That's choice like, and another thing. Everybody thinks that it's choice. That's a problem. Hello? Everybody thinks it's a choice. That's why they want to change it. If they believe that it's not a choice, they would not have said that. But also, okay, I wouldn't understand. Maybe I'll just have to cut into two shows. I wouldn't understand. 講這人。唔是特人本是 attack 人嘅可能 ，sometimes 人每是 impartial and curious， so 你別使 lash out on everybody when they ask is because they, oh you kind of blah 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 咩啦，
掹自己的歌拍㗎啦，
你別使人每事你講誒，別個你冇關係咪，特別你做咩事別使，啊是你是看咪使，哦 maybe 有可能是。Maybe is trans man, is trans woman. Me, 你使講，但你要見你咪做嘅時候，哎呀，係咯，呀，等於成個怪物呢，你知道？成個人就係呀，你看住睇你呀，啊你看呢，這是叫做 microaggression 啦，你冇 attack 伊啊，特別你教你口氣講這個人嘅時候， 變做你 support 係你得意人嘅agenda，就是講你看到你是怪怪嘅去拍伊。所以咱特別細緻，你講，可能是講你有機會啦，講你明白同你聽過人來講嘅 conversation，人講，哎呀，你看下看，哎呀，會笑呀，你在往時成日交朋友呢，你看下看，
咪是上卡，
這是 microaggression 啊，
係你 disable 你啦，
係咯，你看下看你哋，按照係手你設計啊，講下看冇手嘅，你看動機嘛 ，progress 啊，你冇人香港人講你成，哎呦，你係 root 嘅啊，
我覺得是乜？跟佢我嘅力嚟。
哈，咋？
Cause 因為我唔知講冇嘅 something 咧，其實我冇變變咁數，就打波好好咪做俾佢讀卡住坑。
哇難！
我 so pissed off 咧，我成日講，我上尾臭我講，跟咧你是保時學，你學人讀學，因為冇讀你來你做咩？
你咪做咪，你咪學咪做咯。
屌，
係嘛？我都冇諗住讀咯本。That's why 你看唔知人咪讀咯喎。
That's why 伊人
在你可能唔成卡。
伊人家己嘅 experience 啊，被 empathize put yourself in other people's shoes，伊人家己是想，伊人家己把，別啦，我們咧加打波 intimate，我別啦，我吉利，就是成個我你咪逼我加打波 intimate，看都是想噶啦。
伊樣吉利係咪啊？頭先你當咪是當我人招？
那當佢家己姑姑 every day，不冇but anyhow，你特別人特別人 support 啦，人在講樣個 marginalized 個 compared to 把你人 of like LGBT community。Then at the same time，ally 就要緊 ，ally 就是講你人個了聽到無。你人在講嚇，做咩說呢奇怪？你到時人講嘅時候，你特別有機會 educate 人，就有機會改人啫。即係冇，即係唔是冇，即係冇有啲你看喂 life 啊，就 normal 加上by boring。但係
咩地方佢個 boring 咩？
因為地方喂 life 就 boring，我就話冇 clubbing 啦，冇啉酒，冇掃汗，我做咩啊？我應該是落嚟樓卡寫字，個地方嗬。
兩個人你 diva 咧，像 Beyonce 咁樣。
嚇咩嘢？
你像 Beyonce 你 diva 咧啊？
你講咩配
？Flamboyant。
你是 retired diva 啦。
我 retired diva 冇啊 diva，我係 diva 咩？
冇啦。
這點我 diva 咩？這點
有啦，真係冇 diva。
這點特別講我 diva 都冇。
有真係冇。你講咩？
我 diva 是 because of my confidence 數，我 feel 到我安尼這年20幾年就逃避掉嚇。我當今啊，我是我 man filter，我愛做咩我就做咩。If you have a problem that's yours to solve。
diva 講我嗱。
這是路，那是來問題，這是路數。diva 我 diva 少啫，好似烘嘅吹，
叫我個烘，
叫我個烘個就是 Beyonce 咯，你看 Beyonce 30萬人咧，背。Oh my god， 我點這樣 OK， 我特別我 record 出嚟啊，我 second part 嘅 second part 嘅 closing 乜嘢 ？OK， 當然講個一邊先，禮拜咧，我覺得呢條冇上話題。即係話題咧，是我被講是被我看到你新聞啦，我就被打喊咯。了有把 attitude especially 每我佢被講我講 OK，yes， 人講嘛，這 subject，because 有當時啊，一樣講到那可能物件，我 feel 到我冇 voice 我 opinion， 我 feel 到我有 miss opportunity to 個人 address， I feel 到成個話。In support, and I say, my silence is a support to those ignorant voices. Sorry， 我不要講，這禮拜你是邊啲福建阿嬤？唔是邊啲阿嬤，唔是邊啲福建。邊啲阿嬤 ？OK，你感謝這禮拜我特別嘅變，你攞我咩補槍，我就攞咩補槍。我咪講 last word 就係咩？免插人數咧，只插你個技術係只 ，OK？免了你辣咧只 ，OK？到離婚插離婚。你
講係咩啊？
無論
我感覺咧，你先，成日同我講Malaysia 有可能 legalize gay marriage 咁樣，我感覺我係一個 lifetime 應該是看無啦。
啊，未成啊。At least 都買嚟安裝我哋嘢啦 ，legalize。
而且我唔需要教因，係咪物件就成日買嚟得我嚟啊？
係啦。
accept 我人。In Malaysia accept 我人就好啦。
Actually 我有食過嘅，所以。And then 有幾那叫食到肚仔，所以我個人食好。
Another thing 有就是講acceptance，特麼啲家己講俾 accept。我想對唔住咪其他當然我俾記。
老啦。
裡面那些 yogurt 啦。
嚇，對唔住，開始 yogurt 啦。
買隻那隻 yogurt。
哦，買隻那隻 yogurt 啦。acceptance 哎呀，同我講咩 acceptance 我笑對面搞笑咪掉，法蘭講先，法蘭講先。
等我講句字道啦 ，acceptance accept 我人。
啊，試我就未 keep 一齊講。pressure。唔咪嚟，
安針我人，
接受我人。
Girl。
girl。
哎呀，我小未 keep。But anyway，
I think bottom line is both have lu si chui lu to I respect each other.
Yeah.
對。
đó lu 這個物件唔是 about
哦，有我想掉啦，please 同我講。大家講 sorry 啊 ，acceptance 我同我哋講lu 我係有啲人啦，所以 confusion 嘅一個 message 就是講。伊唔是，伊路都唔是，伊都冇 identify as an LGBT， 喺你做我只 confused 就是講，路伊人咪 acknowledge your existence。Sometimes 你只 ignorant 就是伊人咪 acknowledge your existence 呀 ，so that 伊人就會 accept the fact that LGBTQ community exists 呀。That is the first step. Also, is to oppression is to deny your existence. 係咧，我就未tahan，我真係未tahan。
安怎 deny 你講者？
伊人冇插，即係there's no such a thing as LGBT. That's because you are influenced by evil and devils influence, and therefore 你變做gay, therefore 你變做 transgender. But there's no such a thing as LGBTQ. It is only your own creation. That is the first
change
sign.
if you want to. You can change if you want to.
Yeah, if you put a lot of effort in it, you can change.
But okay, if that's how they view it, then tell them if I don't want to change, what concern is it of yours?
Still.
So mà có người you're wrong thôi because your religion.
Wrong ni?
Then they'll bring the religion. No, religion says so you're against the religion, so you're a deviant. Actually, this is what especially for the lady for Hana, Italy, they always get the city on the corner,
Hana, 唔講這個 issue 啦，唔係講這個 issue 啦。Any issue 本是伊人 hide behind the religion 嘅啦，這個物件 it is political. It is nothing to do with religion.
Oh yeah, okay, wait. Can you all see this?
In an official statement on the Ministry of Federal Territory page, Khalid Samad stated, the government is very serious in dealing with this radical belief. But hopefully this initiative can mitigate the LGBT culture from spreading into our society. So they believe that is, you see, this is the ignorance of this is the level of ignorance that we have to deal with.
That's the reason why look, Besaikong is a religious thing. It is a political thing. Politicians politicize 嘅嘢，當然未使講是 religious matter。
What may end with a hopeful note This is my personal positive belief. 我唔制講幾時人society 嘅 accept 人 but I don't care. It's not their problem. It's not. I mean, whether or not I accept my problem. But I believe because of the future generations, the old thinking is gonna die out eventually. It's not gonna go away if everything's not gonna go away, but already you make progress. 如果較少年，你問講係你係咪憑啥本好黃拿嘅另一等人又好 ，opinion 已經慢慢換啊，咱嘅先你知道。所以舊時係老頭腦人，較廿四較濟，唔是講未照樣死啦，特別有時老咧攰咧，你老頭腦個了慢慢補起嘅時，咱嘅社會有可能會較唔相啊。
老，咱叫老大了，先你一代出來了。
So 當今日講個平性啊嚇，無論我過個10段啊，你話我內發錢啦 ，please do 一個人 maximum 咪發，當個另外一發個實先嘅發去啊咯，當然。
你過10幾段本好 ，the fact remains that there are people on both divide. Okay, the 你過7、8段本是相。
Yeah, but the fact that most of the time 伊人係你 against LGBT 嘅 society 有真係濟權力，有真係濟 power to 講伊人嘅 message。But until LGBT 啲 oppressed group 嘅人冇攤 voice 佢嘅 opinion。But now 啦有 ，unless 你冚埋大啦，係你話補充，你是 that's not my thing to control。
John, the most important thing is if you respect yourself, nobody can take away that respect from you.
做咩事我誒 diva， 做咩事我 Beyonce 就是因為我 accept 我嘅技術。
Yeah。
你話 diva，inner diva 就出來啊，我 Beyonce 就出來，我咪幫 Beyonce 掛啫。
你家己看袂起，你家己啊，別人個個看袂起你。That's how I feel 啦。
Yes。
If 你家己 stand firm，你家己看會起，it doesn't matter what people think or。
Yeah, but at the same time 哈，但我做咩事我有係你 luxury 啊，但所以我講我有你 luxury，我特別 assist 係你 because of oppression 啊。Why is it called oppression? Oppression is to make you feel small, make you feel take away your confidence. So it's a vicious cycle. So 我人特別 break through 嘅 cycle 係咁樣講。
Even if you be change 別人呀 ，you can change yourself by having more self-respect for yourself. You respect yourself first, and eventually people will change their opinion.
But let's see, you come to terms with look at you. Oh my gosh, you if you're not ready yet, it's okay. But 你咪去教人交代係咪咪嘅？我堅持你自己就係講 there's nothing wrong with yourself. That is the first thing because you have to break away 一人教你講你 you are wrong, you're bad, you're evil, you're wrong, you're abnormal. 係你 thought 啊 you have to take that out. That we're spreading the belief, hey, so 冇插你 government 講係咪咪嘅本好？你在你自己，你那是講我 believe in God 嘅人，你在講伊學你嘅你can be innate，你裏邊嘅物件，你 born with a nature 是係咪物件？你在講你自己是安怎嘅？我 but never 自己在去 check 嚟講，I decide to be gay just because Beyonce right？ 我冇，我。You know what？你想我愛見到咯咩？應見嚇！我大隻可能bully你去，我當時可能bully你，可能這樣叫名係咪？咁你成日就落隻好見咩？我就是會驚嘅時候咯。But now I've learned it. I've gained my confidence. I've gained my respect. What do you mean? What come out? What another thing? Another cut it into 5 parts already.我 feel 到我講我特別夾黑市啦，我20幾歲是少年時，我想講我特別有我特別是成功，特別有 success 有 achievement， then that will help my case to convince my family to my friends 講 hey yes I'm gay but I'm also you know successful and diva so一人未看到講，一人未成個講 make excuses 講because 就是你人看到了你 because 你 gay 了你嘅全部講啦。But
我係咩想法啊？
哇！阿邊冇估，我 first come out 時啊嚇，我係 我爸講譬如後兜都是去俾他吹嘅。
I love it. I love it that straight people I love it how straight people only think gay people as sex only, you know. I love it. 你兩唔係佢講，你直接嚟去食教應嘅時候，哦，今日攞咗鋪啊，俾笑啩。今日攞咪吐咗鋪，就是嚟去想，看到 gay marriage. Oh my God, my hole. Why? Why? 你去食教應時，你去想我嚟，伊安怎人家吐伊薄薄我冇嘛？你做咩事？你紅險你看到 gay couple 教應時，你就想到 gay sex， 你個 keeper 乜你明嚟講網亂？
對。
講嘢樣嘅 sex 係咪嘅？我哋 straight guy 咪可能係 less than an A-bond。
啦，就我同你講嘛。係是達到你 straight bond 呢？就係好似你 girl on girl 嘅你 section 啊。
係有鬆啊，你有鬆。
Cater for 你 straight man 嘅 fantasy 嘛。哎呀，sayang。OK，
我有面骨呢個。
啊，我面骨啊 ，Beyonce 面骨。OK， OK， 不少打。OK 啦，my hopeful thought 就是講，把刀人嘅少年係一代，online society 啦 ，I believe maybe 冇到底 why lifetime 啦嚇，把刀人聽到即archive 是啷去咧即係 museum 嘅 garage 是除咗即 recording 啊 maybe， 放咗 archive 出嚟先夾別咧。
There's nothing wrong with loving who you are. She said,
OK， 好嚟，感謝感謝你人起嚟教人講一個較少講漢講嘅話題。下禮拜人我另外一個話題係咩？下禮拜話題係咩？阿妹一個。我未記啊！阿妹一個。Selalu lupa lah.
Siang di mana?
Oh, dia. Tapi lu kau ni je, tahu bukan dia. Okay. Kau not as important, but it's also nice to talk about. Okay, tak. Okay, sorry ah, kita cili pai Penang Amor. Okay, alright, bye bye. 等陣Kevin 點樣介紹知道？我再介紹佢知道。Kevin 就是auditor ketupat。betul mayang patok ya lo cabi hunu kata tali cia mikir dia si go utek kaki hana kana titu na 这店aja gong mau gu be cia
我未食 OK
唔知
食店我食過
食店啦
我只 confusion 咩到底是食店還是食店嘛咯
食店
John
哈豬Ketupat.
Don't be a drag, just be a queen.
Ikaw di ba mengkaya?
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh.